shit talking about to be ashamed of yourself. Nah, nigga, you should be ashamed of yourself. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna shut up though, homie. I'm gonna get back on this motherfucking clock, homie. But I'll let y'all
Do your
know.
thing, G
Yes,
Love.
sir.
You already know.
All right, see you on your lunch break, homie. Have a good one. Well,
Yes,
metaverse
ma'am. Yes,
style.
ma'am.
He said, yo,
La
I
la
ain't
la
gonna
la
lie.
la la la
These
la la
same motherfuckers
Monte.
be, hey, I ain't gonna, the same motherfuckers be trying to follow my wife. Yeah, my wife be like, who's this weirdo right here? Who's this weirdo? They be trying to follow my wife. These motherfuckers are weird. They weird.
They be putting a lot of energy. They go make fake Instagram.
Yes.
Look, I got somebody who done made a whole fake Instagram just to come. I'm like, this is crazy. Like, how much time is you wasting doing this?
Be getting
Lord.
at her in her DM. They be getting at, oh, you know what your man Beast is doing? He's over there fucking. Yo, they be saying wild shit in her DM. She be like, what the fuck? She be like, what the fuck? These motherfuckers is
I'm gonna
weirdos.
remix Janet's song beats. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
like, what work have you done
Yeah.
at work lately?
I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, you tripping. Dum, dum, dum.
But you already know that,
Yeah.
that's how it goes though, man. I ain't gonna lie, and I told everybody, man, I fuck with who fuck with me. I don't give a fuck. I fuck with Wack. It is what it is. I don't give a fuck.
The more
Can't
they
tell me
do
Ever
shit.
dumb
since they
shit, the
found
more
out you
money
use
this
bulk
shit get.
corn husks to make your tamales, beef, they been on
Yeah.
your ass.
They been on me. Shit.
But that's the price of getting up there, you know. What the who did that?
I don't know.
Who did what?
Wait, not
I
while
thought
we
a
Somebody
song
did
talking.
the
was finna
sparkles
come
or
on.
somebody did the sparkle shit or something. Wasn't that the yo, did you hear that?
Sorry.
Yeah, not while we talking to
Who
beat.
was that? Yeah, yeah, who did the
It
sparkle
was
shit right now?
Egyptian.
Yeah,
It was
he just, yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't even want to talk no more. I was like, what the fuck? I didn't,
I
Yeah,
thought we was in
I
heaven
was
for a
here. I just
second.
been listening.
yo,
That was the
that shit,
one.
yeah.
Lawan. Oh damn. Lawan still up.
Oh shit. Nah. What's
Damn,
good,
they said
Spot? What we on today, team? Man, it's Thursday. It's midweek. I mean, Wack's definitely doing his no jumper today. We know that.
Oh,
Uh,
what up? What time that shit do it air or
no,
is
he
it
yeah, it's on air Sunday. You know how he does Sunday, but
all right?
he records them today.
Yeah, now we were just talking about
Everybody knows that.
Zion and Boosie.
What happened with us?
How
What happened
Oh,
with
you
us?
wasn't
fake
here. I thought you were here.
fake the gunshot type. He fake getting shot, and Boosie was talking about how BG not a rat because he was supposed to be his fall partner, but then he
Oh
said,
yeah, yeah.
"Well, there's
But then,
paperwork on him, but not on."
yeah, exactly, exactly. You see how he said some like low key shit in that too. Like, ah, man, he got. I don't got no paperwork on me. He said it, so he let you know that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You know what I mean? So he really wasn't just. He was just being politically correct, but he left you hanging. Like, I ain't got no work on me, so why would he even say? He didn't have to say that, but he said it to let everybody know. Like, yeah, there's work on him. So he tried to clean it up, but he kept it politically correct. Did you guys listen to that motherfucking uh 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 oh fucking 1090 fucking snake is clout chasing again off Wack?
where's that? I'm
Nah, I ain't
still
heard that.
driving. I don't know the content, so I
Huh?
haven't been. I'm
Yeah,
driving, so
he a
I
rat.
haven't.
He a rat, ain't he?
Yeah, 1090 rat. Yeah, he's been
Wait,
clout
that's the
chasing. He's
one
been
Mickey
doing.
was working with, right?
Yeah, he's been going on Vlad lately and speaking on Wack's name. They've been asking him questions.
Yeah,
No.
surrounded by rats
Yeah,
right now.
yeah. So let me grab that content real quick.
Throw some cheese in the opposite direction, F gang.
I'm trying to get away, but the warehouse a little small, so I'm surrounded by these rats right here. Fucking rat.
Not they following you
Wait,
around.
Ed Swank said, I've been waiting for the loose cannon content to hit YouTube. Did he show the footage or was it cap? So loose cannon's content, his show actually broke yesterday. We did listen to that in, was it Dangerous Minds, I believe?
Yes, it was.
And
Yep, yep.
they said due to some legal matters, they had to pull some content, but some will be in the next show. But anybody who knows marketing and show business knows that they are not dropping major content like that in the first, second, or third episode. It may be alluded to and spoken on in the first. They may drop a little piece in the second and may speak on it in the third, but maybe around the fourth or fifth episode, they'll come with whatever they're saying they have or the video, whatever y'all want to see. But let's be realistic. If y'all thought they was finna drop that in the first show, y'all clearly have no good business sense or acumen.
And that's 100% facts right there, Dreas. But at the same time, Wack even said it in the room before we started the fucking
Should have told
Chicago rap
people.
battle.
He shouldn't have said it.
Yeah.
Now that's true.
Yep.
He shouldn't have said it was gonna be in the first episode. So that
Wack
is
was like, he
on
got to
him
drop that.
as far
Yep.
as
Wack
that.
said they got to drop that shit.
Gotta
Wack was like,
run the
man, come on.
work. Gotta
He
run
got to
the
run the
work.
work. You heard what Wack was saying. Wack was like, come on, 600. You can't be telling it. They're pushing it as this. And if you don't drop it yet, it's kind of just, nah, drop that shit. That's what people want. That's where the numbers are coming from for that. So, yeah. Wax down on his 10. Wax don't give a fuck.
He should clarify before it dropped. Like,
yep.
He should have clarified. I will say that if you promoted something, see, that's false advertising as well, but we're not going to get into that part of business. But listen, what it is that now he's learned a lesson coming into this, like, hey, listen, if I tell people something going to drop and it's not going to drop, even if you just come out on your social media, hey, y'all, we have some legal issues, we're still going to drop our first episode, but what the main thing y'all looking for may not come out to the second or third. Cool.
Yeah, because we could have understood that a little bit better. We could if we got a PSA ahead of time, but like how we heard it, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to Clubhouse TV.
Didn't kill you.
Yeah, shout out to Clubhouse TV. He made it on a motherfucking. He made it on a motherfucking reality show. So I think the media team's definitely getting out there. Shout out to
Clubhouse TV.
Yeah, that was good shit. I was surprised to hear they pulled that audio to play it when you know what I mean. But that shout out to Clubhouse TV. That was dope.
But I will say that's quick thinking on his media team part.
Check my PTR, B.
Go ahead. But I think that's a good thing. I'll say for Loose Cannon's production team, that was quick thinking on their part. They had to pull the particular content they wanted to run, but they went and
oh shit, where'd you get that shit from?
Explain why.
Oh. Hold up, TJ, where'd you get that picture from?
It's off the shit. Off the show. I just screenshot it off the show.
Oh shit, yo, hold up. That's different. That's different.
PTR. Go ahead.
Okay. Say that you wasn't on. Yo. Hey, yo.
Go ahead and grab that.
Yo, hold up, team. Look, click on TJ's PTR. Look at TJ's PTR.
I already put it in the war chest.
Yeah, we definitely. I mean, he's definitely FaceTiming him. Big U said he never FaceTimed him.
And the thing
that's confirmation.
The thing is, the time. You see where that little hand pointing at? It's pointing at a time, but you can't see it in the PTR that good. But
I was gonna say we don't see it.
Let's see what time it says real fast. So it says 2:39.
Oh shit! So okay, can we get a timestamp on Nipsey's? What time did they say he passed away or got killed at?
Yeah, we need to find that out. But that's 2:39 when they did that little live right there.
Oh shit! Yo, that's good shit, TJ. I didn't see. See, we weren't watching it. We were just listening. Hold up, somebody's in the Matrix.
At 3:55, that's when he was announced dead at the hospital.
3:55, he was announced dead at the hospital. What time did he get shot?
I'm looking it up right now. I know exactly where I was when it happened. I was at work and it was midday and my Hispanic boss looked at me crazy because I stopped exactly what I was doing. It was
Put that somewhere where it belong, man. You know what to do.
Oh, it's already there.
Check your text, J. Send that to B.
I already got it. Ooh.
So now we got. So hold up. This goes to everybody who's saying, "Oh, this is a lie." Well, now this just shows you he's been on motherfucking FaceTime with the man, and I mean, well, but you know how this goes. You know how. Well, where's the timestamp? Where's this? Where's that? Huh? I got you.
But they said in the show that they couldn't show and they played the audio like you said Clubhouse TV. But tomorrow, I mean the next episode next week they supposed to drop the whole thing. I guess this little FaceTime period.
Yep.
Next week.
Because it's recorded now. Now we know it's recorded. Now we know there's audio to that call. You know what I mean? There's gonna be
319.
Now we know that
He got
He
shot at
didn't deny
318.
that shit at all. You
Yeah, ain't no
motherfucker
more.
been denying this shit. You can't deny that.
You can't deny. He's been
Ain't no
denying
more
that he had
gun
any kind.
trapping. Oh, weird ass nigga. Fuck wrong with
Yeah,
that
nah,
nigga?
he's
Know
been
he know this shit
denying.
happened. Big
And
you fucking milk dud head ass nigga.
Hey, Beast, he got shot at 319.
and when was
It
the
was
call?
actually
239.
318.
318. 239.
Oh shit.
Hmm.
Okay.
So about
That's
45
exactly
minutes
30,
after,
about
yeah.
45 minutes
30,
before, huh?
yeah, there you go.
Before he got killed, he talked to him. So, yo,
Got his ass now. Go and
yeah,
hear that shit now. What that
yeah.
backtracking? Why you had that lawyer call that man?
Why you had the lawyer call that man? Why you say you didn't have a FaceTime with that man? Why you say yo, we already this is gonna be good shit. See, this is the shit that now we tuning in. Now we tuned in. Now I think I'm gonna spend the $7.99. I ain't gonna. I might spend the $7.99 just because I want to see some fighting and shit like that because I heard they fought a lot, and I want to get the Yael content so we could definitely have that one. We already got it, but you know what I mean.
Beast,
What's the
Beast, I
name of
watched
the
that
app?
whole episode, bro. That shit was all right, bro. That shit fine. I ain't gonna lie to you. He
Okay,
working with he working something with that. You know what I'm saying? He got something working with that. The
that's
shit was
dope.
interesting. The shit was entertaining. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Some
yeah.
motherfucker, it was like 3 dudes got stripped on that episode, butt naked. You know what I'm saying? With a mother,
Yo,
yo, you
That
know
shit
some
what
on
real
I'm
some
life.
hood
saying?
shit, huh?
Yeah, it's some
Hey,
hood
yeah,
shit, some
that's what I'm
hood shit. That
saying. You gotta
yeah.
watch that shit. That shit all right. Yeah, the motherfucker ain't playing.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm glad you sent that. I'm glad you got that piece right there, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
But
man.
you know how they're gonna do. You know the next thing they're gonna say though, and I hate to. We just put it all out. The next thing they're gonna say is that's Photoshop. This and that. How you Photoshop a screen? How you Photoshop a FaceTime call like that? You know what I mean? They gonna make up all the excuses in the world. Oh, this is this. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here. So, all right. There you guys go. There you guys go. Everybody who wanted to know. With LK here, we you know the Yayas are gonna have something to say about it for sure. Yaya Goo said, with AI, it's possible.
If that's the case, Beast, he wouldn't be out here trying to file goddamn defamation. What you call that shit? Trying to stop the shit and everything else. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, that's bullshit.
You already know. We just like I said, check the TMZ. What we got?
Hey,
TMZ
Beast, what's the name of the app? City Flicks or something?
Urban Flicks.
Urban Flicks.
Yep. Urban Flicks. So we gotta. We definitely heard it. I ain't gonna lie. From what we heard, it was good. It was good content. It was sounded dope. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta watch it though. It's not something you could just be like, let me listen to it. It's more visual because you're gonna see everybody getting beat the fuck up.
Hell yeah.
You're gonna see motherfuckers. So you have to kind of watch. It's a visual shit. You know what I mean?
Well, that's probably like what 3 or 4 fights in that scene, just that first episode.
Well, team, you already know. What else we got going on? That's something we definitely got to discuss. Did we already talk about this high speed train? You guys already
Nah,
talked about
I
that?
think
ain't
we
run that
spoke
one
on it
yet.
yesterday because we was talking
Yeah, we.
about time and shit. Like it must be making.
You in the Matrix, Dres?
Hey, Yaya Goo. Look, so the nigga whack track record with this type of shit is impeccable. When a nigga brings something to the fucking table, it's usually the fucking truth, right? So the nigga already reached out to fucking had his lawyer reach out to Loose Cannon to stop some shit. Why you gonna reach out to to somebody to stop some shit if the shit fake? It just makes sense, man.
That's what I'm saying, Lavish. And now you got your motherfucking proof with that picture right there.
Yeah, because if it's fake, then you just come with the real shit, and you ain't gotta worry about the legal side of it. You would debunk the whole thing with your real part, but he ain't got the real part because the real part in loose cannon pocket.
Right. I think bro trying to like put it together like a. I mean, he doing a reality show, so I think he gonna try to get the most views out of all the episodes instead of just giving everybody everything in one.
Yeah, that's smart business.
Hey, y'all covered Nathaniel Wade, Fannie Willis' boyfriend. He on the stand right now.
Oh
this
shit!
that attorney.
Damn, man.
What's the
Yeah,
name, lady? Shit.
that's why I ain't been talking. I've been watching that shit. Got this nigga pressed up, nigga sweating, bald head black nigga sweating. His head
Okay,
shining.
so they pressing him about what? What are they pressing him
About his
about?
relationship with Shorty. It caught him on questioning.
Do you got the content or what?
I mean, I can send you the link. It's on the news.
Can
I
we
don't know why
stream
you would.
that? Can we stream that?
I don't know why you wouldn't have streamed it or sent
Nah,
it.
you want to talk about train tracks and shit. So
I
Yeah,
didn't
I
think
was
can you
about
gonna
just
give
train
send
you
the
the link.
tracks.
content so we can
I was
start
gonna let
streaming
you
it
do
and
your
y'all
Were
can
we
thing.
talking
argue
about
later?
train tracks or were we talking about the big U shit?
No,
Know what you're talking about before. Hold on.
we
What
did the
what I
big U shit, but your
No,
next
no,
comment was,
we weren't.
did we talk
What's
about
up
the
there up
choo-choo
top?
train?
Yeah, and then what we go back to? What were we
little
talking about
engine
before?
I could.
What
I
were
was
we
like, I
talking
don't
about
know
after
what you
that though?
doing.
What
I
were we
didn't know
talking
what you
about that
wanted to
after?
do,
Little
man.
Zemi who tried to do the slime signal in his motherfucking little Instagram post.
Oh shit!
Deflection.
Can you send
We
a
talking
YouTube
about
link,
you and
please?
trains.
Are you gonna sit there and talk? Or aren't you in the part of the motherfucking morning show #2 squad? And you haven't been here?
Oh
But you was
shit!
watching some
Aren't you
shit
on
over
the
there that you
everyday
talk.
squad?
My
Security
bad.
don't get days off, nigga. Mute up.
Just because Santana's not here don't mean you have to act up, man.
Deflection number 2. You only got 3 strikes with me, my nigga.
Are you gonna play the content? Are you gonna drop it? Or are you just gonna keep talking?
It's in the chat, Beast.
Thank you, Queen. Nah, but you didn't even drop it. Queen did.
Hey Larry, you can grab that content and play.
They didn't even drop nothing.
You guys need me to play that up top?
Please, sir. Whoever got
play
the
it.
audio.
I didn't know you
Yeah,
was there.
please. Thank you.
Let's
Thanks,
get this
Zim.
thing rolling, man. Rocking and rolling.
Wait, what's up top is the bullet train thing still.
Yeah, nah. I think
Is it in the
It's
link
in the
or where's
chat,
it at?
Jo.
It's in the chat.
I'm about
It's
to
in the
link it up
chat,
top.
Josh.
What's
I got you,
crazy is
Josh.
Zim could have done this because he got a beam. I don't know what he's doing.
And I'm
Like,
doing this shit while I'm driving. It's crazy.
That
I'm
shit be
driving back
weird.
home, and I gotta
That
do this
shit
shit while
be
driving.
weird. It took us all that
We
time.
fucking crazy.
Yeah, thank you, Dreas. Thank you, Dreas.
October 2022. And I've got business record certificate for these, Judge. Might be a little faster. But did you take a trip with her to Aruba in 2022?
Yes, ma'am. So that Aruba trip there was a package deal there. My mother had recently retired, and I decided to take my mother on a cruise.
Okay.
And the second leg after the cruise concluded, D.A. Willis and I went to Aruba. So that was all one trip, if you will.
Okay. So my question was, did you go with D.A. Willis to Aruba in 2022?
I did.
Thank you. And you paid for that trip using your business credit card, correct?
I did.
Okay. And you paid for a cruise as well, correct?
That's the cruise I was referencing with D.A. Willis, my mother, and myself.
Okay, and because there's 2 cruises, so let's just talk about the first one. Okay. So the first one was, that's the one with your mother.
Yes.
And so you introduced D.A. Willis to your mother. That trip, you all took a cruise together, the 3 of you.
Yes.
After the cruise was done, you and D.A. Willis flew to Aruba together, and your mom flew home.
Yes.
And you paid for all of this with your credit card, on your business credit card.
I did.
And are you saying that Ms. Willis paid you cash back for that?
She did.
And
but let me make this distinction though, because the number that you're looking at reflects the 3 people on the cruise ship. There were things that my mother and I did, just the 2 of us, that D.A. Willis didn't do.
And I'm not attributing that. I did not. My math is not good, but I did not include anything with your mother on those. Can I show?
You wouldn't be able to see it because it's not separated out. It just shows a charge on the account when actually it would have been something with my mother and I.
Judge, may I approach with exhibits 10 and 11? They're both certified business records one's from Vacation Express, one's from H2.
I thought 10 was taxes.
I'm sorry, 11 and 12. Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
And, these are business records, Judge. They have the certification, so I moved to admit them.
All right. Defense 11 and 12. Ms. Cross.
Based on Ms. Merchant's representation that they are true and accurate as to the certification that was provided to her, we have no objection.
All right. Again, seeing no other objection, they're admitted.
So the trip, just the trip to Aruba alone, for you and DA Willis was $3,835.26, correct? Just Aruba.
I'm looking for the amount.
This one is 11.
Yes, ma'am. $3,835.26.
And then the Royal Caribbean for just you and Miss Willis was $1,269.70, correct?
No, ma'am.
Your mother's got a different line item on there. I'm talking about the cruise, the actual cruise cabin.
I think you need to rephrase that as in the form of a question, Ms. Merchant.
Did you pay Royal Caribbean for yours and Miss Willis's cabin $1,269.70?
Where are we? Which page?
We're on the receipts. There's just a few pages of receipts on exhibit number 11.
Okay. I'm in 11. Can you direct me to where you are in exhibit 11?
The receipt for Royal Caribbean. So we've got your flights on the one page, which I already asked you about for Aruba. And just for the record, I blacked out their dates of both. And then Royal Caribbean may be on, oh, it's small, it's hard to read. It's very hard to read, so let me ask it this way then. Do you recall paying around $1,269.70 for a Royal Caribbean cruise for you and Miss Willis? You don't remember that?
That amount seems kind of small. I don't.
Okay, so you believe it was higher?
Yeah.
Okay. While you were in Aruba, then you bought a cruise, a Norwegian cruise, right? And that was the New Year's Eve cruise?
While I was in Aruba, no, ma'am.
The credit card documents that were admitted earlier show the purchase date when you were in Aruba, but you don't remember doing that in Aruba?
I didn't purchase a cruise while I was in Aruba. That may be when the cruise company decided to run the invoice, but I didn't purchase a cruise in Aruba, no, ma'am.
Around the time you went to Aruba, you purchased a cruise for Norwegian for you and Miss Willis to take for New Year's, correct?
Before I went to Aruba, yes, ma'am.
And that was roughly $3,387. The cruise to Aruba. I mean, the Norwegian cruise.
So that cruise was with my sisters.
Okay.
And the number that you are seeing would reflect my buying dinner for my sisters and their husbands.
I'm just talking about the cruise, the amount that was paid for the cruise ahead of time when you booked the cruise. I'm just talking about that.
Okay.
That was a little over $3,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and I understand you're saying you paid for other things, but I'm just talking about the cruise amount. Okay. And you paid for a Jeep and you paid for dinner while you were there in Bahamas.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the one that Miss Willis paid for a flight for, correct?
That's one of the flights she paid for. Yes, ma'am.
Actually, a documented paid for, not cash. I'm talking about a non-cash transaction. That's what she paid for.
You mean the one that I provided the receipt for?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, that's that.
Okay. And so she booked that on her credit card and wasn't worried about, I know you said earlier that you were booking everything because she was worried about people knowing where she was traveling. She didn't have any fears booking that one though, correct?
I'm going to object to the phrasing of that question. Speculate as to what was the motivation of the district attorney. She wants to ask if that was the transaction, and he responded that was the transaction.
Ms. Merchant, I think you can rephrase the question, but I'll sustain it on the current phrasing.
So she purchased that under her own name, correct?
She did.
Okay. Let's see. So I know we talked a little bit about the seminar where you all met. Isn't it true that you would go to Miss Willis's house in South Fulton County occasionally?
I've never gone to her house in South Fulton County.
You've never gone to her house in South Fulton
I've never seen her house. The first time I even heard the address of that house was when one of the individuals in the election fraud case somehow doxed it. It got out. That was the first time I'd even seen that address.
But you would go to the East Point condo, correct?
What East Point condo?
East Point, Hateville, something like that.
I've never been to East Point with Miss Willis.
You've never gone to a condo in either the East Point or Hateville area with Miss Willis.
Wait, that's different. I have gone to a condo in Hateville.
Okay. So Hateville.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have gone to a condo with Miss Willis in Hateville.
I have.
Have you spent the night there?
Never.
Never spent the night?
Never.
Is that the condo that was rented by Robin Yeardy?
I believe it was.
And other members of the DA staff were there as well, correct? Sometimes.
I've never been around other members of the DA staff at a condo in Hateville.
There's never been any security for Miss Willis?
Not around me.
Did you ever ride with Miss Willis with her security detail to and from the house?
No.
You served on Miss Willis's transition team, correct?
Yes.
And you were part of all of her interviews where she interviewed and re-interviewed employees?
I would say probably 98, 99% of them, yes.
Is it fair to say you took an active role in these interviews?
Yes, ma'am.
Prior to this, you'd never worked at a DA's office, right?
Have I ever worked in her DA's office?
At
No,
a
ma'am.
DA's office, any DA's office?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever managed a large law firm or a
Your
large?
Honor, I'm going to object to the relevance of these questions.
Yes, ma'am.
He served on her transition team, and so, and what we're trying to prove is that there's a personal and financial relationship, and that it was improper, and so, you know, whether or not he had experience to serve on this transition team, I think is relevant.
Right. I think I already said it. We don't need the evidence
Okay.
on that point.
Let me go. Terrence Bradley also received a contract for Fulton County, correct? Correct?
You're asking me about Terrence?
I asked if Terrence Bradley also received a contract for Fulton County.
I believe that he did.
You were partners with him at that time, correct?
I was.
So under what you testified to earlier, you would get a third of that contract as well, correct?
I would have.
And Chris Campbell also had a contract with Fulton County.
I believe he did.
And so under what you've testified to, you would also get a third of that, correct?
I would.
They both had contracts for what are called first appearance, which is where they would appear on behalf of the district attorney to do first appearance hearings, correct?
I believe they did.
Okay. And they also had what's called a taint contract. They both entered into on January 25th, 2021, correct?
Filter, yes, ma'am.
Taint or filter.
Yes, ma'am.
And that was for work in the anti-corruption unit?
I don't know that it was anti-corruption. I think that it was civil rights, maybe.
Okay. And Judge, the DA's or Fulton County's come and, I guess, brought our certificate now, so we would move to admit the contracts. I've got those. Under that certificate, I was planning on doing it under the open records officer, but I believe now they've certified it. I just haven't looked at everything they've certified, though, so.
I'm going to ask that the document be looked at and confirmed prior to its tender.
All right, Ms. Merchant, is there anything else? What other areas were you planning to cover on just direct other than these documents?
I'm planning on introducing all of the contracts and invoices, but I haven't had a chance to look at what Fulton County certified. So I'm planning on introducing those, and then not much.
Can we do the not much? We'll do the not much, and then we'll get back to the contracts.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Okay, so this taint contract, and we're not admitting these right now, but if I represent to you that they say anti-corruption unit, can you tell us what a taint attorney for an anti-corruption unit would do?
I didn't have a part in those contracts.
They were your partners at the time, though, correct?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. And so you didn't have a part in those contracts, but you got a third of the contract payment.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. So the taint contracts that Bradley and Campbell, who are your law partners at the time, had for doing taint review, you got a third of those.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You signed a confidentiality agreement with the DA's office as well, correct?
I did.
And I think I'm up to Judge 13. Marking that as number 13. Yeah, approach, Judge. Showing you a copy of what I marked as number 13. If you could take a look at that and tell me if that is the confidentiality agreement that you signed with the district attorney.
It is.
Okay. And this basically says you can't talk about anything that happens inside the DA's office, right?
No.
It doesn't say you can't talk about it?
No. You said it basically says that I can't talk about anything that happens inside the DA's office, and that's not what...
Are you tendering this exhibit?
I am, yes. We would tender 13.
Ms. Cross.
Fail to see the relevance, so I'd lodge a relevance objection, but otherwise.
Ms. Merchant, relevance of this?
Judge, it's relevant to his testimony. If he signed an agreement that says he can't talk about things that happen in the district attorney's office, I think that's relevant to this.
How?
That because it's motivation in his testimony. I mean, whether or not he's going to testify to something. It's also been certified. I mean, it's part of the record as from what Fulton County gave us.
Sure, but he hasn't said that that's preventing him from testifying in any way today, is it?
Well, and I can ask him about that.
Yeah. Mr. Wade, is this confidential agreement affecting your testimony today?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Let's see. The contracts, Judge, and the invoices that I wanted to admit all of his invoices and contracts with Fulton County. I have them certified. I guess I have them certified through Fulton County, so I wasn't sure if I needed to do that. I just wanted to know if the state had an objection to those before.
Well, I don't think they've had a chance to look at them. So that's the sole remaining exhibit in line of questioning here?
Yes.
And in terms of the follow-up questions, would it just be for him to say what's reflected in these documents themselves?
If they have an objection to the certificates that Fulton County has given, I would admit them through him because he could recognize them.
But assuming they're admitted, would there actually be anything substantive he would add other than the documents themselves? No. All right. Okay. So subject to that qualification, do you have any other questions of this witness?
May I just have a moment?
Sure.
Thank you. Is it possible actually we take a quick break?
We're getting there.
Okay. Thank you.
And we certainly have the opportunity over lunch to take a look at these documents and work out whatever we could.
Did you discuss your relationship with Miss Willis in social settings?
Help me understand your question.
Did you discuss your relationship with Miss Willis in social settings?
No, I heard the question. I just need to understand what you're asking me. What relationship when...
Your personal relationship with Miss Willis. Unqualified, I'm sorry. Did you discuss your personal relationship, your private, personal, romantic relationship with Miss Willis in social settings?
No, ma'am.
You've never discussed it in social settings?
No, ma'am.
Did you ever discuss it in front of Robin Yurdy in a non-social setting?
No, ma'am. Miss Willis is a very, as am I, we're private people. Not, our relationship wasn't a secret. It was just private. So, Not at all. I wouldn't have discussed my relationship with Miss Yurdi or anyone else publicly.
Okay. I actually did have some questions just about the invoices. If you want to just.
These are the documents that you're referring to?
Yeah, they are. It's all of his invoices.
I mean, what kind of questions would these be other than the invoices say what they say?
It just that, yes, that they say what they say.
All right.
Just talk about it. That's fine. No.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. At this point, we'll take a break. I'll ask the parties to take a look at. What had you marked that as a defense exhibit?
I have his contracts and his invoices that I'm about to mark. So before he leaves me, I just want to make sure that the state doesn't have any objections.
So those are marked as?
They're about to be marked.
Exhibit 14?
14, 15, 16, 17, and 18.
All right, so 14 through 18, so I'll ask State to take a look at those.
We'll take a look at those and see if I can match them up with the certified documents that we're.
All right, and then we'll address whether they are tendered for the record when we come back, and from there, then we would turn over to the remainder of defense counsel and then the state for any examination as well. So to that end, let's take 45 minutes. We'll be back at 1 o'clock. Mr. Wade, you're still under oath, and I'd ask you not to speak with any other witnesses about your testimony or about any testimony that's already occurred.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll be in recess.
Yo.
Now, we trying to.
Are y'all there?
Damn, she going to jail.
Stop fucking that
Yeah,
work boyfriend and girlfriend, and you'll be all right.
it just went to a break. So yeah, it's like a commercial break.
You see what that work boyfriend and girlfriend can get you caught up, man?
Oh, she
Got her
in
all the way caught
trouble.
up.
She in trouble.
First of all, that's stupid as shit. How the fuck do you get this level and to this point in your life and your business ventures, right? And you are dumb enough to use your business credit card for your dangling.
He said he was taking his mama. He said he was taking his mama. It wasn't her. That nigga's crazy. That was the craziest shit I heard anybody ever say.
Nah, that nigga was trying to stick it in Fanny. He on some.
Oh, he definitely was getting in that fanny. He said it wasn't a secret. It was just private.
Uh-huh. Damn.
He
Gary
definitely
fucked
sticking
her
into that
shit
fanny.
all over some dick and pussy.
It's over. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
Trump
yeah.
going
How she
Trump
gonna do
going
all that
home.
shit?
Doug might slip it through the crack. We out of here. Sorry, Fanny. You dug too deep, my girl.
She shouldn't have went
Come
fucking
at
with
the
the
Oh,
damn.
yeah, this came out because she was trying to play on Trump's top.
Yeah. And Trump said, "Oh no, bitch."
She thought Trump was over. That's what it was. She riding that Republican wave. Oh, we about to get Trump out of here. Democrats on rock. We good. We gonna get him. Uh-uh.
That nigga trying to separate the charges. Nigga,
Yeah,
you
it was
charged
the
all
wasn't
of
it the
that shit.
private investigator that they put on her that found it?
Man, yeah, listen. First of all, the fact that you didn't have that shit the fact you even had to itemize it because you used your card. Like, bro, I don't care if it's your mama, your kids,
your sisters.
none of that. Don't use your work credit card for no shit that ain't especially when you're of that stature. You working on cases and shit, you crazy.
Yo,
Like,
so he was basically paying with his credit card to take the box out.
Yes.
nigga.
And his
Isn't she
mother
the? Isn't she
and
the?
his sister.
Isn't she the boss though? Wasn't she the head? She had Fanny. She's the head
The
district attorney.
HBIC in that motherfucker.
Yeah, she's the head bitch in charge, and so this is the same bitch though that is going after Donald Trump. It's the same woman that's going after Donald Trump, the same one that tried to put a jacket on him. It's the same and so the same one that's actually going after motherfucking Young Thug. But she's over here using appropriated funds to enjoy her life. Sound like she next on the indictment list.
Yep, the Fanny Rico. That shit.
It sounds like she gonna catch a Rico before everybody else catch a Rico.
You don't go after a motherfucker that's protected by the CIA and you getting smutty in the background.
You
Stupid.
know what fried
Real.
them? I don't think I got to hear that part. Like somebody else, one of their friends came up there and they said they started a relationship like a certain time. That nigga was like, nah, y'all started that 2019. 3 years prior to
Oh,
anything
they
that they said.
tell.
Yeah, it's going down over there, bro. People getting pulled. Cause remember, these are lawyers and DAs and shit. They getting pulled and getting questioned. You can't lie. You gonna lose your whole career for. I ain't lying
No,
for
I
you.
know. I get it,
That's a
but why
fact.
you even put yourselves in that predicament?
That's why they keep asking
They
him,
getting
have you
pussy.
told this person? Have you spoke about it in public? Have you did this? And he keeps saying, nah, it wasn't a secret. It just was private.
It just
That's what
was
he's trying to push on.
private. Yep. It wasn't a secret.
So she was the head bitch in charge. He was the what is he? What was his title? Was he the DA? Was he a
It
DA too,
was a
or was he
special
a?
prosecutor. She hired him as a special prosecutor.
Oh shit! To take she
Oh, baby Jesus,
yeah.
take the wheel.
I thought he was some
Oh,
type of
take the wheel,
lawyer or
Jesus.
something. I was
Okay,
like,
Oh
we got
shit.
Google. Let's find out.
Check
Hold on, let's
this.
get the facts.
Yeah.
Hold on,
Guess
let
who
me. And
told on
man,
her?
I gotta do this
Guess who
while
told
driving.
on her?
Who?
Her best friend from college.
Yeah, sure did.
Damn.
Comes
Yep.
out though. You notice? Hey, hold on. All this comes out after she brought the charges on Trump, huh?
Yeah, beast, you know that. They start shake. Hey, you know they started knocking on some doors, showing some pictures.
Yo, they
Start
started
showing the
showing
pictures.
some. Yo.
I got that picture where you cheating on your
Now,
husband in
let
Hawaii.
me ask. Yeah, let me ask you guys a question. Is this gonna affect? This affects all his cases now, doesn't it?
It's stalled out right now, Beast.
That's what I was
Shit.
thinking, Beast. Like,
Doesn't it
with the
affect
start
also?
of
And that's
election.
just me because, you know how say some of the say like a cop that's we could just use that as far as state wise. A cop that's a tainted cop or that has any kind of misappropriated shit, all his cases got to come back and be reheard regardless of the statute.
Yeah, it
If he has
affect
some
their
smut on
That's a
his name,
fact.
credibility. It
That's a
affects,
it's, it, yeah,
yeah.
if you have some smut on your name, that shit has to come back. Meaning, okay, well, oh, we found out he's
Well,
doing this with this.
well, in this case, wouldn't it not? Wouldn't it be two factors? You got to be a case that she did where he was the prosecutor, special prosecutor. Like you couldn't just take any case because, right? Because
yeah, because
it's
that was
about her
Nah,
and him.
because it's ethics. It's ethics. If she's morally and ethically questionable in the Trump case, then they can lead to say that she's morally and ethically questionable all around,
Yeah,
including Thugger's case.
yeah,
And
yeah,
there's a
yeah.
lot
But
of
but
bullshit involved in Thugger's case too.
Because
but
we
what
heard
hey
I'm
yo,
about.
but look, what I'm saying is
our state's
on your
attorney
on
here
your
just
first
got
go around.
indicted and convicted, and they
No,
not overturning no case, no other people cases. That's something separate and different. Like our state's attorney just got found guilty on 2 different federal cases, and niggas ain't getting set free. Straight up.
Okay. So there's a lot of gray area with that.
that's
Then,
a
as
lot of
I'd
gray
say,
areas with
a
that
lot of
Georgia
gray
shit.
area
Okay,
with that.
Yeah,
I
they
got
was
what it is.
trying.
So she's the district attorney. Daisha Young is the executive district. Kevin Armstrong is interim legal counsel. Kenneth is an executive district attorney. Michael Scott is executive district. Everybody else under is executive district. I don't see Nathan's name under her team in any way. So that's nasty work. Cause now it's like, oh, so you hired your nigga to help you throw these cases or not?
That's
Yeah,
exactly
because
what it looked
the
like.
people that
And
you're
she paid him.
naming, the people that you're naming actually work for the DA's office. He didn't actually work for the DA's office. He's hired on as a special prosecutor. So he's not going to be listed as an employee of the DA's office. He's a special prosecutor.
Okay, that makes sense.
AKA
Cause when I Google what's her team,
I mean, she
Nasty
got a
work.
lot of skeletons in her closet, though. She fucking on the other boy, was fucking on Nut. She just got all types of shit.
so he like an assistant, not hired by the company, hired by. So he's an assistant to the CEO. He's
Hey
not
yo,
an
Zane.
assistant of the CEO.
Hey yo, Zane, and I think his first real job, I think yo was like an accident lawyer, some biggie shit.
Oh, he was the bull. Call 1-800 the bull. Y'all know the bull. That's some New York
Straight up.
shit. That's some New York shit. That's a bull. He gonna get you out of any case. Everybody got that lawyer that come on TV. You get hit, call 1-800, whatever his name is. He gonna get you out of there.
There's a lot going on in there, but that's still, it's still, regardless of the fact, some shit gonna happen. And the reason why this is coming up right now, because Trump is not playing with this bitch, huh? Trump is not playing. He really, yo, I
He
see
on her
this.
That's a
top.
fact.
Yep. Because we didn't know about none of this shit. We didn't know about it until she arrested Trump. Yo.
Told us. I'm coming for her head. He made that shit
Yup,
known
he
from the
sure
rip.
did.
You
Mm-hmm.
fuck with the wrong one, Fanny.
Oh yeah, I know you been fucking.
I'm putting cases on all you niggas.
When it's like a prosecution, do they get to pick like which case they do, or is it like given to them?
Dreas, check the chat.
Well, the DA over all that shit.
I'm almost home. I'm driving right now.
The DA, you said?
Oh, I put
Yeah,
the article where it says that she
hell, but
hired her lover as a special prosecutor.
The DA, David Austin.
Link.
That's
Can
nasty
one of
work
the
when you
The
know
mods
it's
dis
get
a
the link
the
and
lover.
district
put it up
attorney.
top so it can be played?
I just be
Hear me?
wondering, like, so do they pick up
Austin,
these
that's that
cases?
rap.
Oh, wrong DA,
Yeah,
my
it's
bad.
not no audio, Dreas.
Yo, her homegirl said she seen him hugging
There
and
you go.
kissing and all that.
I
She
checked.
seen that shit. That's what the homegirl said. I seen it. I was like,
Yeah.
damn, this shit is foul.
We gotta go pick him up in a little bit. Okay?
Fatty under that
Oh
little
my
I ain't
shit.
God,
gonna
that
lie
was
though.
so cute.
She always
Here.
did though.
Sweatshirt on.
Fanny with the fatty.
Up.
Wow.
She could have had any, but she could have had any dude in Atlanta, man. She ain't have to get. She ain't have to do that. She ain't have to do that. She ain't have to give him a job, man. He could have got his own job. She already getting what she needs. She ain't gotta
That's
give him a
where she
job
fucked
too.
up at.
That's
Why you
Yeah,
he
that's
got in
where
her
she
ear.
fucked
man?
up,
Hey,
and she paid him more than everybody else.
Yeah,
hey,
she
FJ.
paid him good
Hey,
money.
And
FJ. He was the big spoon. He was in the air like, yo, let me get a job though.
and look,
He
check
ain't
this
asked for no
out.
mixtape money. He ain't asked for no mixtape money. He said, yo, let
Look,
me get a job. Fuck
Azine,
that.
listen. This check the. I'm gonna read the first part of the article. It's a district attorney, Fannie
Hold on, let
Willis,
me clean.
in Beast. Mute
Oh,
up.
all right. I gotta clean myself. What's up? I gotta clean your face, homie.
Am I still in the matrix?
All
He said
right, all right. No, listen. All right, District Attorney Fannie Willis improperly hired an alleged romantic partner to prosecute Donald Trump and financially benefit from their relationship, according to a court motion filed Monday, which argued the criminal charges in the case were unconstitutional. So, yeah, she improperly hired an alleged romantic partner to prosecute Donald Trump. So she was coming for his
That's
neck too.
oh,
Right.
she in trouble.
I just want
let me
to know
find
if
out this
she
nigga don't
didn't
even got a
realize
law.
that somebody was gonna catch on. Is my mic broken?
What's her IG?
Talking
I'm trying to
Dre's,
see that.
I couldn't hear you. What? Say,
She from Atlanta. She from Atlanta? That be that cornbread shit.
I'm not sure right of that one.
I just want to say Stedman would never snitch on Oprah.
Mm-mm.
Nah, for real. You don't even see
He
that nigga
he
but
getting
like once every
paid.
10
That's
years.
Oh,
why.
she from
She
Cali,
from
Dre. She from Inglewood.
Inglewood.
Oh
She
damn.
53. She from Inglewood. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Not
She
too
looking nice.
fucking much,
You
Zine.
ain't
Shout
find
out
her
my
Not too
Inglewood
IG.
bad.
mommies. Shout out the beautiful Inglewood. You know what I mean?
You ain't found her
I had a
IG,
little
What up?
Z.
thing. I had a
What
little
up,
thing to live in
Wood?
Ladera. You heard? I had a little Ladera Heights mommy. She thought she was
Oh,
gangster,
you
but I
had a
told her you
little
live on the hill.
oh, so you was right across
Yeah,
from
you
Windsor
know the little
Hills, I
thotty
see.
joints. You know little thotty joints, but they dad got money.
Hey,
You live
look,
on top of the hill.
listen. I went. Listen. Hey, let me tell you something. I went to all the private
Mute.
schools. Okay, I get it. I
Mm-hmm.
grew up in a real.
Mm-hmm. Come on
You ain't
now.
go to Wilder Prep.
Let me tell you something. La Tierra Gang, what alumni for shit show. Hello? What you talking about? I lived around the corner from where they filmed the fucking Wood in that liquor store, bro, off Evergreen. Don't play in my face.
You talking about don't nobody want your punk ass bike?
Hello? Shit, what you talking about? Walking home from La Tierra and then you went to Parent, or you went to what's the other school we used to rival with in that bitch? Then you got Morningside. Man, listen here.
So this bitch authorized to pay him. He got paid $654,000 since January 22,
Damn.
and she authorized the compensations. Yep.
What?
Plus a
Oh shit,
third,
she
That's
gonna
a
do
plus
that
a
leg.
shit.
third, plus a third
That's
of the
over
a
500.
third.
Oh, the feds are coming for that bitch.
That's a
Plus he
leg.
got
Big
paid.
leg. He
Plus
should have
he
got.
got paid a
Um,
he got paid a third of the value of every other contract on the team. You guys missed that. He said he got paid a third of the value of every other contract on the team, as well as the 600K.
Oh
I
yeah,
thought
that's when she was
she was
asking
paying
him.
them.
So
I would
you
have
got a
died out of
30% out
there.
of this one, and you got a
Yup.
30% out of that
So
one.
when
She
her team
fluffed
would
the
close
hell out of his.
cases, she would give him. So my question is this: when her team only would do the cases, he would still get paid off of shit he ain't do. Is
Yeah, it
that
was
what I'm hearing?
part of the contract. He was getting a third of whatever they got paid. It was part of their.
How you get a third of something that you didn't have? Oh,
you stick your dick to the
Telling
boss.
you that bitch
Yeah,
doing
you
some
put
time.
Fuck
that
you
That
pipe
bitch
on
mean,
the
gonna be
boat.
going
Dreas?
in jail, man.
He was killing
If
that
they don't
Fanny.
get her for, if they don't get her just
let me tell
for
you
the
something.
relationship shit,
Go
they
ahead.
want they
Fuck about their relationship. She could have sucked that nigga off in the back of the building. They want their money back, nigga. They don't give a fuck about
exactly.
that.
They want that
I
money.
want that
Yeah,
bread,
see,
nigga. You
she
was
probably
stealing our
could have.
money.
She could have been hit a little bit with the finance and the vacays, but you take it from your team. That's nigga.
Is fuck
Yo,
they
not too
team.
much
The
your
way they Dreas, the way they look at it, you take
ego.
it from the government. They like you take it from the people. You nah, fuck
Oh,
that.
she about to sit down
And
like
he's
Martha. She
Yeah,
standing
better
on.
learn how
that's
to knit.
government money.
She better learn how to knit and quilt and make pillowcases or some shit.
Yo, she might really end up in jail after all this shit said and done. Niggas is like,
And,
not what?
and he's standing on it like smugly. She's like, and you got a third of this contract? I did. Yes, I
I
did. He stood
did.
on
I
that shit.
did.
Before I told y'all to get on, the nigga said, yo, every vacation I used the money for, she paid me back for it. Oh, he paid it
In
back
Facts.
or some
cash.
He
He
shit.
did
Like,
it
did.
in
In
He
cash.
and
did.
cat,
cash.
I said, yo, this nigga is really crazy.
Damn.
He's really,
Yeah, he
She
put
did
her
all
out.
that for a nigga like that. That's
unless
crazy.
he knows something that we don't know, this nigga is bugging. He doing way too much talking.
To save his bar license. He throwing her straight to the woods. He trying to save
Right,
his bar license.
Yep, yep.
right
He don't
under
give
the
a fuck
bus
no
and
more.
ran her over 5 times.
Cause they, I mean, they can track all that shit. Using that damn, you stupid ass gonna use the
Yeah.
company card.
And he turned over all his invoices. He turned over all his.
Stedman would never.
You know what this
Stedman
remind me
would
of? Y'all
never.
about to laugh. Y'all about to laugh. Yo, this remind me of Power. This remind me of the black lady of Power and the white guy. He's like, come on, you shouldn't be doing that. Like, I feel like Fady came home with this idea to go after Trump. That nigga was like, hell no, you crazy? Yo, you that nigga, you bugging.
Listen,
She like, I
Imani
have
said
to get a
it
promotion.
best in the chat. She was better off getting a hood nigga. Cause he would never. He don't want no paper trails or nothing.
That's a fact.
Unless
Well,
he was
what?
YSL.
Why did he
Her nigga would have
tell?
bought 30 pounds. Nigga would have been, nah, fuck that.
Hey,
Nigga would have bought 50
if they
pounds of the
come
work.
wire,
Hey yo, nigga would have bought a 50 pack of Zaza and a 20 pack of
listen,
some
got
greens
it off,
and been cooking.
got it off.
Man, listen, chop suey.
Came
All
back,
my
flipped
niggas that
it,
don't know.
doubled down. Okay.
Saying you fucking with somebody that's literally protected by the CIA. Like, what the fuck did you think was gonna happen? The CIA will dig all up in your shit, man. You didn't think this shit was gonna come out?
Shit, that shit ain't
I hate
that
to
shit ain't
say it,
take
but
that
let's
long.
not.
We just gotta
Let
figure
me tell
out.
you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on. Yeah, I hate to tell y'all this, but let's step it down from even him being protected by the CIA. You went for the white man who wants to grab people by the pussies and got niggas yelling that shit. You want to come for that nigga?
Hey,
Okay.
Wrong
we just gotta.
motherfucker.
You
We
Wrong.
coming for
gotta.
a nigga who started a
Yeah.
riot And it's finna beat the charges? Is you
At the
cool?
Capitol?
We gotta find out if this is gonna have any impact or bearing on these other cases too. 'Cause I definitely see an impact on the Trump case, but as
bro.
far as
Beast,
the other cases,
beast.
I'm trying to see what's up.
She got hired for this job 2020 in April. In August 14th, 2023, she brought the indictment. Bro, Beast, it's only February 2024, bro. They
But
done
here where
dug
they
in her
finna
shit
catch her
so
for shit,
deep.
Shorzine. The
They
nigga who said they've been together since 2019,
Beast, they
bitch
dug
driving
in her
20.
shit
That
crazy.
was
Yo, Dre,
definitely your
Yeah,
nigga.
yeah.
she's fucked, Dre. It's like
Yeah,
it's
but
yo.
I'm saying, is this gonna have the bearing on the Thugger case
I
too?
don't
Is
think
this
so. They want him.
that's what I'm saying. I don't know if this is it's gonna meet the criteria for that because we definitely
It's
see it
good
happening
legwork
for
though, because it paints a bad picture in front of the
good
eyes.
motions. You could put motion a lot of different motions you could file on this behalf,
Listen.
but
Let me
Members,
tell you the
members.
issue with the Thugger case is that she was in private practice before she got that job. She represented YSL. I can't remember his name, but he was one of the
YSL
founders of
Dookie
wasn't
man.
YSL.
wasn't wasn't
She
wasn't she fucking him too?
I don't know about that, but I do
Nah,
know
she
she
was fucking
represented
Big Nut.
him.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, it was Big Nut. Yeah, but she was representing one of the YSL founders right before she got that job. So she had privy to information that normally a normal person wouldn't have. And then you come in the job and then indict. And that guy was not in the indictment, the one she represented.
I think the motion you
Yeah,
got
but
is
they
if Florida. I mean, they don't got the Florida rule in Atlanta. Right? I don't know if anybody from Atlanta on here. Like, I don't know. You just what you need. Like, you need to get two or three of them. You good, right? You walk on that motherfucker, right? Y'all got the rule where what they said. What's that shit they got in Florida where it got to be majority of them? Nah, not
You
It's
majority.
just
talking about
It's in
the
Florida.
jury?
Yeah, the jury shit,
Oh
right?
no,
So
all 12 have to and you talking about the death penalty is only I think like
oh, that only one
9
for the.
of them. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay.
just for the death penalty. All 12 have to
Shit.
agree.
Oh, hey, beast. You know the game plan. I just need like 2, 3. You feel me? I just need 2,
Wait,
3. We
but
gonna
I got
walk.
a question now. If she was fucking on Big Nut, allegedly, as it's been coming out, and he was with YFN, and allegedly somebody from YSL killed Big Nut, wouldn't that be a reason why she was targeting YSL? So wouldn't that fuck it up anyway?
Yeah, but
Because
you
I
got to
remember
prove she
Trump
was
saying,
fucking. You got to prove
"Oh,
she was
Trump
fucking
said
Big
it.
Nut.
You gotta
Trump said
prove
it. He
that.
got the work. He got the work. Trump said it. He got the work." And everybody around Atlanta on the if you know you know type time, if you know you know, that's the real reason why she went hard. Because it's funny how all they shit they done went to court, got sentenced, and he Gary come home and Thug still fighting his
So
trial.
so F,
He leave.
you saying Trump got the Scud missile? He just holding it?
Oh yeah, he ain't
It's
let
just
it all
phase.
out.
This
He got the
phase one.
missile. It's phase one. He got the missile
You
because
know
he
how
said
you
it.
know how Trump do that nigga say
You're gonna
Man,
wait
look at the
until
access. Look at the access to
closer to the
information that
election.
WAC has. Look at the access to information that WAC has. Network that WAC has. Imagine the network that Trump has. You don't
That's
think that
what I'm
motherfucker got
saying.
shit in this war chest, man?
Trump
Oh
probably
yeah,
taking that shit
nah, that's
personal
I'm
yeah,
too.
yeah.
saying.
Trump got a war chest for
Hey,
sure, for sure. He got a
hey,
war chest.
Gene.
yeah, for
Even
sure. For sure.
academic said it. Academic said it on his live. He said the word on the street is that Fanny was fucking nut, and that's the reason why she going hard against YSL because allegedly one of them is the ones who did it. Now I think that's in the RICO with one of them little niggas
It
down
was
there. But I'm trying
Thug.
to tell you.
Thug was the one that
Oh,
put the
hold
hit
on.
out.
Allegedly,
Oh,
hey man, I
whoa,
don't know
whoa,
nothing
whoa,
about
Keela,
that.
wait,
That's what
whoa,
they
Yeah,
whoa,
said.
allegedly.
whoa,
Kayla, what
whoa,
you
whoa.
doing?
Yeah,
Oh
what you
Gotta
doing,
say
man.
baby? Hold on, slow
allegedly
down,
at the
slow down,
end.
slow down.
I'm just telling you what the folks said.
You got a way of saying things. You got just all right. Just you speed it. You speed it right now.
Yeah.
It's a
Boy, Keela,
55. Slow
woo.
down. Slow down. Go down to 40 or something.
Trying to get
35.
this
Slow
I
nigga
down.
can't go down
65
to nothing. All
years.
I can tell you is
Oh,
what the accusations are. Like, not he didn't physically do it, but they say he
Ooh, the
was the one
Matrix
that
got
was.
you. The
not
Matrix
that.
got
See,
you.
see
The
right there. You
Matrix.
see,
The
you see,
Matrix.
you was going a good speed, and then at that last second, you started speeding again. Just slow down. We
Ah,
don't want that.
well,
Yes,
well,
man.
we can.
I think
We
she
love you.
got more
We
We
love you.
don't
common
know
We
sense.
what
love
you
you.
That's all.
talking about.
Yeah, yeah. I'm with
I
I'm
don't
with
know
Cookie.
nothing about
I'm
nothing.
I'm
Yup,
with Cookie.
Well, I'm reality based,
You
so
in
you
your
know,
own
I'm
Range
just
Rover,
tell
Kayla.
you.
Just know
Yeah, I'm
you
in
in your
my
own
own
Range
Range
Rover.
Rover.
Yup, and I'm not in that. I'm just
But
saying, I think
y'all
Fanny
know the
got some
paperwork
shit that's
out there,
gonna come
right?
out.
Not too much
But
on
I'm
Big Z.
saying allegedly. I'm saying allegedly for Keela. That's what she meant. Allegedly.
Allegedly, Reese.
Yeah, she
Yes,
meant allegedly. She
those are
definitely
the
meant that.
allegations. Yes.
Yeah, that's allegedly. You feel me? So I'm telling you, Fanny got some skeletons, Gary.
With that
So they
Fanny,
done
she
stuck
gonna be
me
alright
back
wherever
next to
she
these
go. I
fucking
ain't gonna
rats.
hold you. With that Fanny, she gonna be alright wherever she go.
Yeah, I heard that shit was fat, Zane.
You ain't gotta hear.
Definitely
You
got a
see
little
it.
monkey back
I don't
there.
think
She
her real
definitely
name is
got a
even
monkey.
Fanny. I think she got a real
You
name, but they
fucking
just
with that
started calling her
FM?
Fanny.
That's her nickname? Damn.
I
That's
hope
that
so.
lady name. That's her name.
I'm still trying to find her IG so I can see it for
It was
real.
like Francesca or something. They just call her Fanny. She kept it going with it, try to make it cool. That shit is a Fanny for
What
real.
they calling her in court?
Shit, I don't know. Sexy,
Fanny.
sexy.
Y'all a
I don't
mess.
know what the fuck they was calling her. We don't know what they was calling her. Obviously, somebody was touching on that, so we don't
It
know what they
definitely
called
say
her when.
Fannie Willis.
Oh shit, well shit. She's still bad though. Don't take away from her. Free that woman, matter of fact, man. Nah, man, let her go, man. Like I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that queen go
Now
through
it's
that.
let her go. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't want to see that beautiful queen go through that. That's not right, man. We can't. Come on, shit. If she need probation, she could do it in New York. At my address. I'll
That might
supervise
be
her.
why
You said
YF
at
and
your address.
Lucci. That might be why YF and Lucci got such a good deal then.
Nah,
Oh,
nah,
you
nah,
know,
nah. What
Keela,
you
don't try
doing
to
right
jump
now?
in my car
Nah, that
now.
shit
Don't try
made
Now
to
you
sense.
jump in
trying
my
to jump in
car.
everybody's car,
Don't
Keela.
try to
Get
jump in
out of
my
here.
car.
This nigga got 20 years, get out in 3 months.
Mm-hmm. Fanny hooked that up.
I'm trying to tell y'all she was all right. All right. Man, Trump got a war chest over there. I promise
All it takes is one president and a few allegations. And they got the whole room speculating again. Some bullshit. Scared that Trump nigga, man.
Damn, Fanny, you fucked.
Yo, anybody here good with statistics? That shit kicking my ass right now. I ain't gonna hold
Yep,
you.
it's a 50% chance Fanny not gonna have that job next.
Oh, I'm talking
Yep.
about real
There you go,
college.
Reese.
What was the word, Zen?
Oh, you know me. I'm from the I had education system from the Bronx, so we didn't they didn't focus on pronunciations and stuff. They just say get it out, get the word out, just get it out. So I might not say things wrong, but I said statistics. Am I saying that wrong? Or did you just use that to clip it and use it against me?
You got it right, Zane.
You said it
Okay.
properly
I
that
just want
time.
to make sure. You know what I mean? I do have an African father, so we sometimes my words come out a little bit chop suey.
But okay, so you're looking for assistance in statistics. You're looking for a
Yeah, yeah,
tutor or somebody
yes.
that can help out.
Yes, so I want to like have somebody help out. So basically, what I want to do is I want to send you because like we get homework problems, right? So we got to do the odd numbers, and then the teacher goes over the even numbers. So basically, you got to do it yourself. I want to send you something like the even numbers in whatever formula it is, because I don't understand the formulas, and then like you basically break down the because they got these new ways of doing math. I don't like that shit is like ridiculous. I don't get it. The way they just be like, take this and carry that, and then count 7 dragons, and then when you do that, you're gonna get 5. I was like, how the fuck did you? So I don't get that. But if somebody can help me, I would definitely love that. Also, if anybody here knows a New York State teacher, right? I would love to speak to them one on one on the phone and go through that whole process, especially a black male. That'd be more helpful.
I
No,
bet
sorry,
Dr.
not this one.
Legend can help you with those
I
statistics.
can't. Negative.
Nah,
Negative. Real. I need real
you. Hey,
help
Keela,
in
mute up.
real time. In real
Not
time.
you
Keela,
rooting for
mute
your
up.
Now I
Keela,
just want to
mute
baby.
up.
talk to a black male
Look,
teacher in New York
co-counsel.
State.
Look, co-counsel.
I just want to talk to a black male teacher in New York State and see what like just go through. Like I know teachers, but they're gonna all of them know me, so they're gonna give me, You know,
Speaking
oh
of
man,
being
we so
black,
great
though,
to see you
Zine,
with students, huh?
I said, speaking of being black, you remember that the chick that pretended she was being black for being
Rachel Dozier, that was the NAACP.
She was black.
That
so
lady.
She changed her name.
apparently
No, her
yeah
name
some
was
shit
Rachel
so
Dozier.
Miss
Was it?
Dozier?
No, it wasn't.
Yo, what
Wait,
you
hold
said,
on,
Lavi?
y'all. He was trying to get
yeah
something.
yeah I know goddamn y'all been here long enough anyway um so apparently she got fired from being a teacher because they found out she had an OnlyFans. Hey Rod, you can run that up top.
Oh hell yeah! This is my type of content. Run that.
Oh, I was
Yeah, I got you.
wrong. Yeah,
Give me
it
just
was
about 30
Rachel
seconds.
Dollars out. Who is Rachel
I
Dozier?
appreciate you, big bro.
Remember, she was leading that one NAACP chapter, and she was like acting like she was black, but then it said
Yeah,
she was really white.
but why I say Dozier? I thought her last name was Dozier, but
It's
yeah, that's
doze
my
off. Doze off.
yeah. Okay.
In some
Doja Cat.
instances, you never told people that you were white.
All right, mute up, mute up.
Are you right? In some instances, you never told people that you were white. Yeah. I mean, are you ashamed of being white?
Well, like Dick Gregory says, white isn't a race, it's a state of mind.
Okay, but
Nothing
you know,
about
but no,
whiteness
no. Let me
describes
tell
me,
you something. I'm black. I can't be you. I can't reverse myself. Right. Let me tell you, Rachel. If the police stop me, the police stop me. You could throw that off and show that little like nice fine hair up under, and you might get away. I may not. I may not even make it in the jail. Well, so it's a difference.
Okay.
It's a big difference.
Well, Rachel, following that, I have a question.
Right.
What does being black mean to you? And why? Why do you want to be black?
Well, I think that, sometimes how we feel is more powerful than how we're born.
Okay.
And blackness can be defined as philosophical.
In some instances,
That was the whole
Yeah, that shit
Hey,
crazy.
hey, isn't
Hey,
Rachel
Hardwick, bring your punk
Dolezal
ass up here.
Hardwick here?
Hardwick, bring your punk ass up here, man. We
Okay.
got some explaining.
Well, damn.
Yeah, Hardwick, you got to come up here
We
now.
got some
You got to come.
explaining to do, Hardwick.
You
You
definitely
right
got to
there
come
now.
up here.
Pink Paquema in here.
Yeah, you already know. You got some explaining to do.
Is everybody on the floor? Who is this shit? Get your
He
ass up
been
here, buddy.
down there for about 35.
Come on now, y'all. Today my heart hurt. Hardwick, you gotta come up, man. Come on, man. Sometimes you, sometimes
Hold
me,
on, Hardwick.
always us, man. Today's your day. You just gotta get it through, man. It don't hurt that bad. At
Hey,
first, it feel like it hurt, but it don't hurt that bad.
Hardwick, you on stage or what? Hardwick, come up here. Where Hardwick at?
We right there in the goo.
In the goo.
Hardwick, you gotta, yeah, Hardwick, you gotta come up, man. You gotta come up. You gotta come up and you gotta have this conversation, Hardwick. Motherfuckers want to know.
Hey, Beast, I just suggest this. Don't kick
Just
him.
came up, y'all.
Don't block him. None of that
He
shit.
on stage.
Hardwick.
Did you hear me? Did y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
You heard what I
We
said?
can.
I
What
said
do we
I'm
know?
taking care of real life situation. Once I'm finished, then we can have the talk. That's why I was in the group, nigga, because I'm working. Okay?
No, Hardwick. If you're able to come up in this motherfucker.
Listen, nigga.
Nah, shut your bitch ass up. You better calm the fuck down. You caused a lot of fucking problems, and then you ran off the app like a little bitch. You better calm your little bitch ass down.
Fuck you talking about, nigga?
Little faggot ass bitch. You caused a lot of fucking problems, and then now you don't want to stand in the paint? Now you don't want to stand in the paint? You want to talk like I got real life shit. We don't give a fuck.
He left, man.
I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I didn't want you to. I knew that was gonna happen. Look, let him.
He doing this little weird shit.
Yeah,
Got real life
you gotta
problems.
let. But look. You gotta play pussy. You gotta play pot. You gotta let him do all that.
Man, ain't nobody
That's
playing
the
pussy for his pussy ass.
Listen. That's the theatrics. He
ain't
one of
gonna
them
be
type
able
of
to
dudes,
sit here on this stage. We ain't gonna give him no respect if he don't come in here and stand in the paint.
Check it. He the type of nigga to go to work and then be like, yo, fuck that. I'ma leave this. Get the content out. Yo, all right, my nigga. Let's have this conversation, though, bro. Like, let's have this shit. He did cost me. I ain't gonna lie. When Dreas and them said it
Oh, yo, you're
yesterday,
not
I didn't.
understanding.
And
He had
Pink was
all
really
day.
Pink,
So you're telling me he
bro.
was having real life shit all day yesterday?
He wasn't having nothing,
He's been
bro.
driving that truck for 24 hours straight.
Nah, he not having
on his
nothing,
log.
bro. Tink made me
So
realize
that's what you're
it
telling me.
yesterday, bro. He really fucked a lot of shit up with that, bro. And you think
Yeah.
it was
So
funny, but it
we
is
giving him the
crazy.
benefit of the doubt, could come up on the stage and we trying to have the conversation, and he's not. He want to talk about. I'm telling you guys, this like he want to direct the conversation.
He was not gonna come on stage. He was gonna sit in the room for 47 minutes.
He gonna sit in the goo. He want to sit in the goo, and that's the first time he ever sat in the goo like that ever. Talk about I just was gonna sit in the goo. Nah, you ain't never came in here and sat in the goo.
Hops on stage quick like.
Listen, man. Some people don't want to get fired, so they're gonna go to their job and be like, "Fuck this shit, yo. Fuck y'all. I'm leaving," and walk out. So they feel like they didn't get fired. No, nigga, you're gonna have this convo, bro. You wild out. I ain't.
Yeah, nah.
Shit was funny at one
Hell
point. It
nah.
ain't funny now,
He'd
bro.
be the first one pressing anybody else.
Pressing everybody else. Pressing everybody else. And like I said, I just want to get it done with because he got to have the fun conversation with Phoenix. You know what I mean? He definitely got to have that shit. He could have done it yesterday. He could have sat in the paint yesterday, took care of this shit, and fucking dealt with it. But apparently he was driving his truck all day. Now he's back in his truck. He's been driving it for 24 hours. This is the first time he's been back on that.
So the issue started right when Beehive started.
Yeah, exactly. So he's been off the app handling personal business. Okay, cool. Handle your fucking personal business. But now all of a sudden he's still handling his personal business and he'll be back to talk. Get the fuck out of here. You ain't gonna direct this conversation. You ain't gonna fucking be out telling us what you gonna do. You ain't gonna talk to us like I'm a fucking kid. You's a fucking little bitch. You better fucking stand in the paint. So apparently, hey, Sal, let Phoenix know. Apparently he's gonna come back and have the conversation. He tried to sit in the goo on us. And
he's gonna walk out, but I told him nah, he left. He
left. Yeah, for sure. He tried to come in here and act like he's gonna direct the conversation. Nah, homie, nah. You gonna come in here and stand in the fucking paint, like dictate the shit. Like, nah, come and stand in the paint real quick. He wanted to sit in the goo. How the fuck? This is the first time he ever want to come in here and sit in the goo. He wanted to sit in the goo, act like that's the first time he ever been in. He ain't never been on this stage and just sat in the goo. Just like, I want to sit in the goo. Get the fuck out of here. Ain't never sat in the goo like that before. Never.
Alex said he tried to make a pack out appointment.
Yeah. Well, team. Yo, he tried to sneak in. Who caught him? He tried to sneak in and sit in the goo.
No, I saw
him. I text you.
Chat. I was like, yeah. Hey,
I put it right in the chat.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, bring your. I was gonna stop the audio. Get his.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. But I didn't like how he tried to little boy us on this stage. We ain't doing none of that little, like, you gonna just come in here and tell us what you gonna. I'm just gonna sit in the fucking goo. I'm not gonna come. I'm handling real life situation. Shut the fuck up. You better calm your bitch ass down. You're talking about you handling real life situations. So you've been handling real life situations for 24 hours?
That nigga on the burner for sure. He know what's going on.
But he could have cleared this shit up by standing in the fucking paint. Ain't had to be fucking hiding. He could have came in here, did his thing, or he could have went into the Beehive yesterday when they was asking for him, got it all cleared up in one swoop, took the fucking lashings, and then been cool. You get what I'm saying? Motherfuckers don't realize it. You come stand in the paint, handle the shit real quick, and it's dead. Boom, you're done. You're back. You're cool. Mm-hmm. Whether you want to get taken back or not, whatever the shit goes, you just come stand in the paint and take what you got to take and then let it happen. You don't run from it.
Niggas
you running from it now.
Feel that real nigga test, bro.
Yeah.
They always fail, dog.
Come on, man.
When you run, you automatically lost.
You automatically lost. You look.
You gotta come talk, gang.
You have to. This is an audio app, man.
If you know you fucked up, gang, you gotta.
You gotta come
stand on that shit if you
stand
fucked
on
up.
it. Yeah, if you fucked up, he wanna throw the stand on that shit. Don't come in here and try to dictate it and try to pump your chest up like I'm handling real life business. Shut the fuck up. We're all handling real life business, you fucking idiot. All right. Act like everybody thinks that I'm handling real, like when they say real life, like it's supposed to automatically change our perception. Like
he wasn't handling no real life business when he stood on it.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So he's been handling real life shit for 24 hours straight driving that truck? Get the fuck out of here. You gotta park that shit every once in a while. Can't drive for 24 hours straight.
Gotta get some gas or something.
Yeah. Now all of a sudden I'm handling real life. Get the fuck. You in a box truck driving around. You in a fucking box truck. What are you handling? Shifting lanes? Motherfucker, you could have came in here, been on your fucking headset in your box truck. You ain't fucking. Get the fuck out of here talking about. I'm handling.
Hey,
Yeah,
Beast,
okay.
you said switching.
What you switching lanes? What you navigating through traffic or what? Get the fuck out of here, man. Like all our truckers are in here. When they want to talk, they talk, man. They're just in the truck. They're in their trucks.
I've been
I
driving
mean,
this whole goddamn.
you
Live
get what
from
I'm
the
saying?
chat.
Yeah, Lavish been running the whole show from behind the steering wheel, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. That's I don't get so you're in your box truck. You're making deliveries.
Beast, you gotta slow down on a nigga, bro. You ain't gonna be able to take him to court.
Live from the chat.
Take that nigga to court.
What
Take that
happened?
nigga to
What
court,
happened? What
man.
live from the chat? What's good, money?
They said fuck Hardwick, take Grop to court.
No, it's only one bitch that said that, and that's that ugly ass bitch that Ty be arguing with. The bitch with that big with the rat with the beaver teeth.
You ain't right, bro.
What's that bitch name? I forgot her fucking name from Canada.
Who, Maya?
Yeah, that bitch right there.
He ain't right, but he ain't wrong.
Beaver teeth is crazy.
Looking at the court.
Oh wait,
Oh,
live from the
Beats. They
chat.
say he in the
They say
trenches
he in.
right
Yeah,
now.
they just
All
said
right,
he in the
where at?
trenches.
Okay, I got you.
I
I'm
was
on it.
just in there.
Oh, what's
Who
the trench's
Hardwick
I
in the
was
name?
trenches?
just in.
We
Hold
was
on,
What's
just
hold
the
on.
in there,
trench's name?
Beats. We was just in there, Beats. That's crazy.
That don't mean everybody else go running over
Right,
there.
y'all good. Beats got it.
Somebody stream that shit.
And
Give me a link, Guap.
Yeah,
leaky
whoever
shit.
got club.
Hold on, let me go get
Send,
it. Let me
send me a
see.
link.
Let me see if he coming out.
Leaving this room to go to the trenches is
Y'all
crazy.
ain't going nowhere. Sit y'all ass down.
Shit, them
Hey,
motherfuckers
dude,
are
funny
already
as
starting to hit it. Who said that shit on the stage though? Who said the nigga in the trenches? Why y'all
Tank.
ain't text Beast and say that?
Tank.
It's in the chat.
Yeah. See, that shit run our traffic away. Y'all bugging. Y'all gotta learn the politics.
I ain't see him over there, but they getting the business clear over there. It's not worth the strain.
Well, after he finished doing what he doing, I guess he'll be back.
He ain't in there.
Yeah, I just told him.
Nah, he could have said what he had to say right there. He was talking.
He definitely was
Yeah,
talking.
he definitely could have said. He could have just
He could have just had the
He could
conversation.
have had the conversation.
That's it. And like I said, that's all he had to do. I wasn't even gonna get mad first until he started saying, "I'm telling you guys, I got real life." What the? I don't give a. Okay, that's the first thing people always say when they don't want to have the conversation. I got real life shit going on.
Cop out.
So what the? That's that real life. Okay, real life. We're all living in real life. We're all here in real life, doing all kind of real life shit. We all doing real.
That real
Everybody
life
in here is
excuse
doing.
don't work for me
Yeah,
because what the
that's what
fuck
I'm
he
saying.
did affected people real lives. What the
That's what
fuck is
I'm
you
saying,
talking about?
yo. We all are doing real life shit. Everybody in here, regardless of the fact we're on this app, but at the same time, we're still in our real life doing real life shit.
Yeah,
Man,
Beast,
niggas
Shit,
check
be
it
we be
out.
on here
I'm at
enough.
work
This
running
part of real
audio.
life.
I'm at
Shit.
work running audio
I
doing
just
my
did
real shit.
dispatch and payroll.
Get what I'm saying? So
Like,
I
what
don't
this
get why
nigga talking
people
about?
try to use that. We're doing real life shit when everybody in here has a job, is doing real life shit
Hello,
that is
I
just
done took
on.
the kids to school. I'm running
Yo,
errands. I'm at work. Like, what
you
is
know
you
what I
talking
mean?
about?
So that's what I'm saying. They use that as a cop out. So okay, that real life shit don't work over here. Nah, you got to stand in the pain. That's why. And then he tried to get loud with me. I ain't gonna lie. We ain't gonna just let him come on the stage and get loud with anybody, man. Especially right now at this time, him been running for 24 hours. You running? You a fucking fugitive?
He's scared to handle his candle.
Man,
Yeah, you a few.
how the fuck a diabetic can run like that?
That's what I'm saying, man. All he's doing is driving a truck. Guap. Guap.
Oh, he got the sugars?
Between deliveries, I can say even at the shortest your delivery time's probably half an hour away, 45 minutes away. In that time, in that amount of time, you're driving your fucking truck.
Hey, it's a box truck at that.
It's a box truck at that, meaning he don't really have to do too much of nothing. It's not even. Come on, man.
He
We
just
ain't even
gotta
gonna
sit in
lie.
the seat, man. That's it.
He's sitting in the seat listening. He could easily talk. He could easily talk. That's all a motherfucker wants to do is have a conversation with him.
But on some
Nah, he
audio
fucked
yesterday,
up
we
because
heard
now he
yesterday, he
know.
said he's scared of Phoenix.
Phoenix wasn't even in here yet.
He said he's scared of
Yeah, but
Phoenix.
that's a whole
Man, if
fact,
he
Guap. He
wouldn't have came and
definitely said
sat
he
in
was
the
scared
goo,
of.
Yeah.
he could have
No,
played
he was
along like
scared of
Here's
Phoenix.
the dumb part. You shouldn't have played
Yo.
in her fucking face like that, nigga.
Yeah.
How the fuck you play in her face then?
If you scared of somebody,
That's on some real shit. All
you do
bullshit
not go
aside.
fucking with them, right?
That
If y'all
excuse don't
niggas is
work for
scared of
me.
somebody, do y'all go fucking with them? I mean, I do that shit.
Man, I ain't never been scared of nobody over the phone, man. In my life. Or in real life, been scared of anybody in real life,
Scared
man.
over the phone is
He a grown
crazy.
ass man. He said, yo, he a
So
grown.
he's scared over the
He,
phone.
yo,
That
I
nigga
ain't
scared of a female over the phone.
Yo, he said, I ain't never been scared of nothing, man. I ain't gonna lie, nothing. He said he's been into the military. He's done all kinds of shit, but he's scared of a little old audio app of a
He
loud
got
voice.
kids. He got kids.
Nah, he's scared of a loud voice. He's probably scared of his kids.
Just saying, how he raising somebody being a bitch like that? That ain't true.
Yo, this shit gets you. Yo,
Not with you
Hardwick
got a
got
warrant.
Hardwick got a warrant, man, because he ran. He came up, tried to pump his chest, and then he ran. Then he ran. Did you hear how he did it, Guap?
Yeah.
He came
That's
in
what made
here.
me
Oh,
pop
he
in.
came in this morning? I
Nigga
didn't hear
soft
that.
as
He
fish.
he came in here. He sat in the goo. AB got him up because I think he likes AB, so he accepted her invite. He didn't accept nobody else's but AB's. So he came up. Shout out to AB because you know what I mean. She got him up. He comes up. Boom. He's like, I'm not. I got real life shit going on. At first, I'm like, hey, Hardwick, man, you got to talk. You got to answer for this shit going on, man. You started a lot of stuff, man. I just want to.
He
Boom.
just
Hey,
came
I
out
got
on
out.
stage just saying shit. Who even asked him the question?
I did.
Okay.
So,
He
because
literally
we
did before you got in here, team.
He just
Hey,
came
as
off the
soon
mic
Beast got to
rambling and
snapping on them niggas there. He backed that motherfucker up and got the fuck up out of here. All you
Yeah,
heard
no,
was
because
tires.
he tried to drag his fucking nuts across our stage like he was a fucking weirdo. We ain't gonna let you do none of that shit. You gotta come stand in the paint. Regardless of the fact, I don't give a fuck. Wack even said he gotta come take care of that shit before he gets any kind of hey Hardwick, how you doing? All that shit. He gotta come stand in the paint, take what he got. He gotta take what he got's coming. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, that was a civil war he started at that time.
it
All for
was.
all for fucking for just one person. He could have just directed. He instead
One
he lied
simple
about the whole
lie.
thing.
One simple lie.
One simple lie started a whole fucking train. Like, don't get me wrong, a lot of shit was just coming to a head anyways. But we're gonna say that lie brought a
It
lot
set
of
it off.
unnecessary shit on.
Yes.
A lot of
Yeah, that
unnecessary
shit
shit.
It set it
some shit
off.
off
Said
that
a
wasn't
lot of
none of
different
us
shit on,
even
and
know
it
about
just
though.
train rolled, and a lot of people turned their backs on certain people because they thought they was lying, and a lot of people just, it took a lot for people to get back to being on that page again. It was a lot of shit that happened.
I
And
did
where
not
was
know that
he?
was
He
People
that
still ain't
deep.
on
disappeared.
that page,
And
no
he
B.
disappeared
Yeah, no,
then
I get
too.
that. I get that.
He disappeared then
He
too for
disappeared then
August.
too. I have a strike. Like I said,
He
he came.
disappeared. He disappeared for what? About a year, right?
Hell
Yeah,
yeah. He just
Yeah, it was
came
something
back
close
like a
to a
couple
year.
months ago.
No,
yeah,
he
a
gave
couple months.
exact time. He said 8 months.
Shit, that's close enough.
Yeah, so I see him.
Did
But
he
why
say he
would he?
had real life shit going on while he was gone for 8 months?
I
I don't
think he
know.
was
He fell
dying at
off the
that time.
pedestal.
Oh shit.
First he thought he was cursed. No, he thought he was cursed, but didn't realize he just had diabetes.
He said,
Yo,
man, old girl put black magic on me.
yeah. Yeah,
Black
Black
so
magic.
that was a lie.
black magic.
So he lied. So then I asked him about that shit. He's like, "Oh, I was just playing, man. I was just playing at that time." Nah, you was really thought it because you had motherfucking Killer's mom come on and tell you some shit to fucking fix yourself. Remember that shit? So
Oh
he really thought
yeah.
he had
Oh
black
shit,
magic.
I
I
forgot
forgot all
about that
about
I
that.
shit.
We
definitely
had
remember
Killer,
that.
we had Killer's mom come on, Mrs. Killer come on and help him out get through that whole shit. Remember? She did a whole fucking thing for him.
Oh
So he
shit.
So
definitely
Miss
believed that he
Killer help
had.
him stay alive?
Yes, Miss Killer helped him stay alive.
Miss Killer is
I don't
crazy.
remember he
Y'all
was off the
funny as
mic
hell.
asking for them perk 30s.
That
Yeah, and
nigga,
then he was.
yeah, yo, yeah, that nigga was in Sleepless when it was going
Dreas,
down.
I
Dreas,
thought you said
you
like a
remember that,
half.
right? Dreas, you remember what he
What?
said? He was like, "Let me get half that perk."
He wanted a half a
He
No,
perk.
he
said
said you got a
half.
perk
Remember
30. He
that
said you
shit?
got a half. He asked for a whole and a half.
See what
He
I'm
said he
saying?
wanted
This
half of a
Motherfucker got to
perk.
be
I thought
perk
that's what he
45
said.
out.
He did
No, he
say that,
wanted a whole.
Cell.
Perk
He got
15?
a whole
110.
one. He asked for a whole and a half, bro. And we was
I
like,
was
wait,
like,
what? He was like,
Damn,
oh,
he
I was
I
brought
was
it
like,
joking.
up.
this nigga Hardwick off mic buying pills.
Oh, bro, I
Y'all remember I
remember
said
that.
that?
A
Not
hole
the
and a
one.
half. A
Not
perk
the.
45.
That's crazy. Not the 1.5
I
and a
didn't
half.
know it was a 1.5. I thought it was
Not
just a
buying a
half.
Fucking
half.
dance.
God damn, Dreas.
Damn, I ain't know he had the
That was
sugars.
sleepless, dog. I
Damn.
gotta see if we can find those replays, dog. That shit was funny as a
Kicked
motherfucker.
out. This is
So
exactly what I remember. We heard the street because we knew he was outside. We heard the cars passing. We heard people just like chattering. And he was like, "Hey man, hey man, hey man, you gotta let me get half that perk. Let me get half the perk. Give me, you got a whole one. Give me that whole one right there. Yeah, yeah, you got that." And we was like, "Wait, what?" That's when he was like, "Oh, I was just joking." Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Man, he the
his
Yes,
pussy,
ass was
man.
not
Dre.
playing.
What? You act like he don't pray over his perk.
Pray over the perks is crazy.
That's crazy. That nigga didn't know he was off mic.
That's wild. We need that. We need that clip.
Eric called him Perkwick.
Dreas said it happened in Sleepless.
Not having
Oh
enough
I
shit.
money for the
tell you
whole
That was
exactly when it
I
perks.
thought
happened.
it
Wait,
happened
no,
on the
1
Hundred
second.
Club.
No, it happened on day 2 of burning down Sleepless because Wack had started giving him a bean to help burn it down. I remember exactly what happened. Wack had finally given Hardwick a bean because he was being very, selective and cautious with the beans on who was doing what. So as we
Right.
started to get more and more people doing it, because remember, Lebo had the bots going. We had like 3 other people helping. Then he gave Hardwick his bean. And on top of that, that's when he was doing all that shit. That's why he had been up all night. Remember? Because he was in there popping shit. So I had always been trying to find a timestamp, but remember that replay was like almost 7 hours long. But it was day 2 specifically.
Pray over the perks is crazy than the motherfucker.
Shit, niggas be lacing that shit with fentanyl and all different types of
Let's
shit.
be
I say
real
if
now.
he up all night off a perk, he addicted for real.
I mean, when you off me, you asking on the corner in broad daylight,
Let's be
like you was
real now.
bartering. I didn't sound like he had money. Cause he said,
He
let me
didn't
shut
have
up before I say
enough
something.
though, cause he asked for half.
Hello? What was you willing to do for the other
Why?
half,
Why he
sir?
just ain't break it in half himself? Why he ain't grab two and
He
then?
didn't have enough to buy the whole pill. That's crazy.
So he just came in here off the wall, just saying shit. That's
Yeah, man. Well, we'll try to get Hardwick ass back in here, y'all. Hopefully he'll get the business
You
clear.
got that nigga
But
number?
no, I don't know that nigga like
no.
that.
You got that nigga number.
Nigga, I don't got
Ooh,
that nigga number,
ooh.
nigga. I
Yes.
called that nigga on my burner phone fucking a year ago. Why the fuck you ain't
Perk 10, perk 30, I just popped out perk 30.
This nigga.
Perk 60, I
Yeah, boy.
I don't even think I called. Hey,
Perk
hey,
30
matter of
my
fact,
perky
Tink, I don't even
dance.
think I
Do my
called him.
perky
Larry called him.
dance.
Nigga do my perky dance.
You hear me, Tink? I don't even think I called him. Larry called him.
Yeah, where Larry at? Why you ain't hit up Larry? He probably still got that shit. You know he keep everybody number and shit.
Yes, Lord.
Perky dance. Let me get my perky dance.
Perky
Perk
itch.
30, I just popped that perk 30.
Perky itch.
I passed on the purse.
Well, if it's a half, you gotta say he. Okay, shit.
Damn, Autumn came back. I ain't seen Autumn in a minute.
Man said he could be too.
Which Autumn? Autumn, or just regular Autumn? Cause Autumn be in late night mostly every night, bro.
Oh, okay. I'm talking about the autumn storm.
Yeah, she be in late night. Almost every night. Shout out to you,
I
number
fell
two.
I fell asleep
Not
on
number
y'all last night,
two,
man.
always number one. Thank you.
How was that content last night? Was it good?
Oh yeah, I was just gonna
No,
ask
that
about
wasn't
that. Him
number
and
two. Wasn't for
Sensation
you,
and
Autumn. That
Desi
number two
Banks.
wasn't for you, baby.
I was about to
Okay.
say, okay.
Nah,
Yeah,
that
don't talk to me.
wasn't for you. He caught that shade.
Definitely did. That's why he asked about the content. No, I was.
Sometimes I just look over Dreads because if you respond to her ass, she gonna shoot your ass with something else.
She
Some
not
people you
laughing
just
with you.
gotta
She
know how to
laughing
deal
at you.
with.
She laughing at you,
that
not at you,
motherfucker,
nigga.
that motherfucker take your ass somewhere else, and you next thing you know, you'll be taking a mile walk.
No, how was the Desi Banks and the Shay Shay shit? I had fell asleep last night.
I definitely went along and with the bed. I was tired as shit.
Anybody was I heard he was talking about Krishan Rock and shit. How'd that go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We played a snippet of that in Petty Benny and Type
Oh yeah. I think I heard some of that before. I was finna go to sleep.
Yeah,
He like
late
teach children
night.
forget the tat on her face, basically.
Well, the Loose
They was
Cannon
roasting
show
her ass.
dropped, y'all. How y'all feel about it? We heard a little bit of it in well actually I think we heard the whole show in Beast Room yesterday. How y'all feel about it?
I'm just waiting for the content.
Every
Y'all ain't
time
watch
y'all
that?
say that, every time y'all say that, Dre's phone go out, man. Y'all gotta stop.
Okay. Well, I think she had a beautiful smile and everything. It was
You know this app keep tripping and shit. It keep freezing at the most inopportune times. Now what y'all?
Yo, Tink, you ain't bought
I thought she had a beautiful smile, you know? Beautiful smile. Um
Hey, did you guys hear Yella Breezy? He got there's some white boy pressed him in a parking lot and wanted to fight him, and he had a gun in his
No.
pocket. He kept saying, "Swing on me, swing on me." He said, "Put your gun down." White boy said, "Put your gun down, put your gun down." Yeah, you guys want to hear it?
No, hell yeah.
That
When did
white
that
boy was
happen?
chasing clout.
Cloud chasing ass nigga, bro.
Sound like he was gonna
Y'all
whoop his
seen the
Man,
ass.
video
clout
Yellow
chasing
Beezy
going
posted though,
wrong.
right? Because the white dude ain't post everything. Yellow Beezy
Nah,
went over there
yeah,
and
yeah.
Yeah,
stole off of
yeah,
him.
Yellow Beezy slapped that
Come
nigga.
box, come box. You see I'm solo? You see I'm solo? Come box. You gotta do it, come over here, brother. Come box. That's how you gotta do it. Come box. I'm over here. Come on. We'll go over here right in the grass. I'm right here. So you can shoot? I'm naked. I'm naked. I'm naked. I'm right here. Come swing on me first, bro. Come swing on me first. 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 See you. Come swing on me first. I see the gun in your pocket, cuz. I see the gun in your pocket. Come swing. I see the gun in your pocket, cuz. Come swing. Look, got the gun in your pocket, bro. Boy, I see the gun in your pocket, boy. Come swing. I see the gun in your pocket. Why you got a gun? I'm right here. Come swing. Why you got a gun? I'm right here. Come swing. You seen I'm naked. I'm right here. Come swing. Why you got a gun? Me. Come swing. Why you got a gun? You recording me? Come swing. Why you got a gun? You recording me? Come swing. Why you got a gun? You recording me? Come swing. Why you got a gun? You recording me? Come swing. Yeah, you see that? He ain't gonna box a white boy. Come box. Come box. Swing. As soon as I swing, you gon' up it. As soon as I As soon as I swing, you gon' up it. You scared of a white boy. That's why you got a gun. I'm naked. You see me. You ain't naked. It's on you. I'm in your face, nigga. It's on you. If you wanna swing, swing, boy. Swing. I'ma knock your bitch ass out. Swing. So why you got the gun? Swing, boy. So why you got the gun? Yeah, put your camera down. Swing. So why you got the gun? Put your camera down. Swing. Why you got the gun? Put your camera down and swing. So why you got the gun? Put your camera down. Swing.
Man, look, I'm gonna keep this shit short and sweet. I'm from the north. I fuck with Lil Melody. I fuck with all his people. So when I seen Yella, 30-hole bitch, he ran in his car. So here y'all start recording. Why you going to go get your gun? Why you scared of a white boy who clearly naked out here? I'm telling you, I'm naked out there, bitch. So what you scared of? Throw them bitches for a cuz. What the fuck? Y'all pussy. I don't care about none of that shit. Man, look, I'm gonna keep this shit short and sweet. Talking about, blah, 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 you should have hit him or you were police, blah, blah, blah. He got that gun because nobody wants to lose to a white boy, and that's the reality. You talking to a nigga that done did 6 years, and that ain't nothing to brag about at all. That's nothing to brag about. But I seen how this shit go. Don't nobody want to lose to a white boy. Boy, I'm undefeated out this hoe. Ask about me any G4, G5 unit, any TDC unit. Boy, ask about me. I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. Y'all ain't no steppers. Y'all just internet. This shit real. Talking about,
That was the whole thing.
Man, that white boy lame as hell.
Hey, if anybody has the breezy one, pin it up. I'll play that.
Yeah, it was the same shit. He just basically had got up on his ass and just slapped him. I don't know if he showed that part in that video, but he really got up on the nigga, slapped his phone and shit. My niggas be just looking for clout and shit. I don't know when did it become cool to start trying to walk around boxing, bro? Niggas gonna die like playing games like that. Like the fuck these niggas get this internet shit in their head for? I don't know what the fuck niggas be on. That
I
nigga
know
just tried to
several
run up
people
on
who
the
is
nigga.
not arguing with you like that. They are not arguing with you like that
Yeah,
at
that
all.
nigga trying to
It's not
run
even
up
gonna
on
be
the
an
nigga talking
argument,
about
my
let's
nigga.
box.
You would have got 3
Box.
words off, and you would have really been staring
Box.
down the barrel of something.
The fuck is you? Nigga, we box. What the fuck? Like,
But
the
he
hell?
was
These
trying to
niggas weird.
box though. That's what I don't get. They trying to call him scary, but he was trying to catch work with the nigga though. He didn't even have his
Who
gun
was
in his
trying to
hand.
catch work?
Yellow Beezy was.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were saying the white boy was. Yeah,
No, I'm talking
that
about Yellow
nigga.
Beezy. No, he walked up on a
Nah,
nigga.
ain't nobody calling Yellow Beezy scary unless you just a peon ass nigga. If you can't see through that, then you just, you know what I'm saying? Nigga talking about you got a pistol on you. First off, you don't know if this nigga on papers. You don't know what's going on. So you snitching first off. Secondly, your ass motherfucking running up on the nigga. Fuck you think gonna happen to you up in Texas, nigga? This nigga, you ain't never see Mo 3. You ain't see what happened with Mo 3 He in the same city. Fuck you think you gonna run up on a nigga without a pulse? What the fuck? You gonna get your ass. I'm surprised he didn't get smoked, but that's probably why, because he really was on some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Trying to catch a nigga really whoop his ass. That nigga gonna work with the police. I'm telling y'all, a nigga with a camera out holding his phone for some action, he gonna tell the police every time. So he gonna tell the nigga what happened. He gonna sue Yellow Beezy because he got some millions. Just a loss.
Yeah, Yellow Beezy
Yellow Beezy.
don't gain nothing from fighting that white boy, bro. Nothing.
Bro, that nigga Clout he just looking for something like you know, nigga ain't got shit. And just but you know what I'm saying? that was his moment right there, bro. Like shit stressful out here, bro. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That nigga, you know, shit, it's that
So
time of the
that was
year.
a
Niggas
week.
is y'all know them bills coming in right now. This the top of the year. Niggas get you know what I'm saying?
Tell that nigga stuff.
That was a weak ass cloud chase. We already forgetting about him. Nobody gonna remember that nigga.
Whatever his intentions was, he better be lucky it didn't with a RIP in his picture on some flowers in the poster. Cause
That's a fact, Dre.
Give
Could
it
have
give it
shot his.
give it 6 to 12 months.
Oh yeah, they gonna catch his ass.
Just give it 6 to 12 months. Broke niggas can't hide. They
Why
like
run up on
roaches.
somebody who got the call on him, trying to ask to fight? That really don't make no sense. There's too much dumb shit happening out here for you to try to go cloud chase off some dumb shit. That nigga an idiot.
I think the white boy rap or something. So this how you do it. You just book them for a couple shows, get them comfortable. That's all.
what's understood on that.
Sign him to a 720. You know what I mean? Put on some life insurance for him. Easy work.
That's some diabolical shit right there.
Easy work. Easy work. I don't get it though. Yeah.
He probably ain't flash out on like that. He probably thought it was a fan recording.
Paparazzi or something trying to ask for a picture, shit.
Hey,
No,
so
but
I
I
got
think
the
also. Oh, go
I
ahead,
got
Aaron.
I got another video here where it's yeah he slapped the phone out of his hand. You guys want to hear that one? This is from Breezy himself.
I heard.
You put your camera down. Put your camera down, swing. Look, he got the gun on. Put your camera down, swing. Oh,
He
you.
just got
Put your
hit. He
camera
just
down.
got
What's
hit.
up? Put your camera down, swing. What's up? I'll show you. Come on, swing. Bro, put your camera down, swing. Look, he got the gun.
And that's all it said. And then the other slide says, "Why you ain't post that part?" And then it said, "Undefeated my ass."
BZ swing. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
At least
no,
he
he
tried to
swung
hit the
twice.
phone at him or something. Yeah, the boy just was out here trying to record, trying
Yeah,
to
he
film a
swung
movie.
twice
Dude
with
ain't
it.
Wasn't
want no
trying to do
smoke.
nothing. Yeah,
Yo,
he
ain't
wasn't really
want no
trying to.
smoke. Busy wanted that nigga to swing first, so he couldn't sue.
Yeah, because you know what I mean? So you didn't have to give up no money because the niggas be trying to clout chase and get the bag out of
No,
people.
matter they swings first, it's considered self defense. So you always gonna provoke somebody to swing first. That's just
And I'm sure
common
BZ ain't
good
going
common
to
sense.
try to sue him because that nigga, you know,
Hey,
the other
Rob, when you
niggas,
get a
sure
chance,
don't
run
got
that
no
up
money.
top, please.
I
Dude
got
would have been wrong in regardless, no matter if BZ swing or not.
Yeah, this Texas, he already was wrong when he ran up on his car. He
That's
could have
facts.
fired off right there. He
Yep.
would have. It's this. Y'all got to think. This not where y'all at. This is Texas. Like we don't have to even. It's very very limited. Like you don't got to do much to get your ass shot and for it to be considered self defense. Like we got to stand your grounds and all of that shit like that. The guns is legal.
Oh
Niggas
yeah,
do what's gonna die.
California way different.
Yeah, it's way different. Like y'all self defense laws is like y'all can't shoot a nigga if they running away, like shit like that. We don't have like it's obviously there's guidelines, but for the most part, like for example, the little kid that came in there and robbed the Mexican restaurant, right? He came in there with a fake gun, and he came in that hole. He had everybody scared. He walking out, nigga. One of the old niggas that's just in there eating every day. He got that thing on him. As soon as the kid turned his back. He started shooting that nigga and stood over him and put 10 in his ass. You know what I'm saying? And everybody was like, oh, it's overkill. That's overkill. And in a lot of states, that nigga would have got charged with some shit. But not here. That shit got dropped and that nigga back eating. And that nigga wasn't even a legal immigrant. And
Box,
he
you
didn't
know
get
that gun
deported or
was
nothing.
fake?
Yeah, the gun was fake. He ain't had no real gun on him. That was a fake gun.
I better stop playing out here, country
So the
boys,
mama, the
man.
mama coming out, oh my baby, he didn't have to do that. He overkilled him. Da-da-da. Nah, I
He
don't hear
got
that
what he
shit.
deserved.
Got exactly what he deserved. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about last year. That nigga that was on the south side. That case got opened and closed quick.
all right.
Dismissed. They ain't even arrest that old man, bro.
Link at the top's ready.
Run it.
Go ahead, Rod.
Memphis man wanted for murder is finally behind bars tonight after being captured by U.S. Marshals. 28-year-old Randy Ewing was taken into custody in Parkway Village last night after he was spotted by U.S. Marshals and the MPD fugitive team in the area of Crichton Avenue. He was wanted on second-degree murder charges for the shooting in August of Temanuel Benson, the brother of Memphis rapper Black Youngster. Ewing will be in court tomorrow for his arraignment. The Memphis man wanted for murder is
They got him.
Yeah, that was the whole thing.
How long ago was that? I didn't hear the date exactly. They caught him after how many years?
I mean, Black Youngster was just murdered a couple months ago.
Yeah, this post
Okay,
His
came out on No Jumper
brother.
4 minutes ago. So
okay,
That's
for
his
sure.
brother they talking about, right?
Yeah, they said
Black
August, I
Youngster's
think.
brother, because Black
yeah, the
Youngster's not
brother of
dead. Yeah.
well-known Memphis rapper Black Youngster, yeah, has been arrested. Emmanuel Benson.
Well, he got arrested for what?
No, for killing his brother. His brother dead.
Wait. Run it back. Who got arrested for killing their brother?
The dude at the top got
This
arrested
dude got
So,
arrested for
Emmanuel
for
killing Black
Benson.
killing Black
Youngster brother.
Youngster.
His name is Randy
Yeah.
Darnell
Oh, the
Ewing
nigga that
Jr.
killed Black Youngster brother. Okay.
That just happened in August. I thought that happened like
Well,
a
you
year or
know,
two ago.
that's the youngest, I think. His other brother, you right, he got killed a while ago. So I think they
Okay.
all going. Yeah, I think yeah, they all
Damn.
his brothers is going in.
Damn. That's horrible to hear.
Hello?
Yes,
Everybody
thanks for calling
shit popping.
McDonald's. May I help you?
Now, let me
It's
get
Uh,
pronounced
another
mother.
drink.
get the egg McMuffin with the the little hash brown. You know what I'm saying? The orange juice too on the side.
You said a sweet and sour hash brown.
Oh, but yeah, back to that Rachel Dolezal shit. How y'all feel about old girl having getting fired because she had an only?
That's kind of weak. Why people researching her on OnlyFans?
That's what I was thinking.
Hey,
Why did it just
she
come up?
been
I'm
had
waiting
that
on somebody to
OnlyFans though.
sue for that shit, bro. I'm waiting on one of these people to sue because it's like they gonna have to put some type of law behind that because it's like what them people got some kind of freedom to do their thing, like you feel me? Like I feel like okay, yeah, they do teach, but at the end of the day, when they get out work, they out work. You know what I'm saying? She ain't bringing that shit to work. She just an after school helper. She wasn't even really no real teacher, was she? She was like an after school counselor type person. Like, damn, shit, nigga, shit, I don't
It
know.
it
I don't
made
know.
me think. It made me think it's probably the parents telling, and that also made me think like I probably wouldn't want that. You know, that type of person to teach my kids. You know what I mean? If she got, but I don't know.
What?
I don't
You
know.
wouldn't want what type?
Yeah, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. I
I
don't
don't
know.
know, bro. I mean, so if a teacher smoke weed, y'all wouldn't want them teaching your kids?
See, that's a different case though, because I don't mind the
That's
weed
that,
smoking.
but it
Weed
just
I
depends
don't.
on.
illegal. You know what I'm saying? Weed is legal, so you
It's
can't really.
illegal. It is illegal. Weed is illegal everywhere. Federally, it's illegal everywhere.
That's a
We
fact.
don't
I
gotta
don't
have
know
that
though.
debate. You know what I'm saying? You know what we
It's
saying?
no debate. It ain't nothing debating about it. It's illegal. You can't go to a bank with the shit. It's literally illegal. Ain't no debate. So, but the thing is, your brain makes it legal, and you cool with that. Y'all selective. So why can't somebody that's just posting pictures of themselves? Everybody fuck. Everybody be fucking. So why can't nobody just post a little picture and then get their little check? Especially because teachers ain't even getting paid. Y'all know how much teachers getting paid for real?
We
That
And
was
shit,
my
just a
Bullshit.
thought.
Wait,
motherfucking
we
assistant.
should be
So
selective though.
if
We
she
should be
doing that
selective
and
on who
she's
teaching
looking out for
kids.
the kids and doing that at this, I just don't know, man.
As a role
Maybe I'm
model,
tripping.
See,
it's
but
just
I
deemed
think
as a
I think the
conflict of
story
interest.
was because
I don't know, bro.
she
So
was in
then I
there
feel
with the
like
people
every
from the
teacher
black
that smoke, we ain't gonna have no teachers, bro. If by your rules, we ain't gonna have no teachers.
Paperwork or something stating that she wouldn't conduct herself that way
It's a
on
code
or
and
off the
Hey,
conduct.
clock.
hey, Brock,
It's a
and
code and
So
conduct with every
if
job.
she
So
if
signed
we
that
had no
paperwork,
teachers
then she
smoking, man, we
chose
have
to
some harder
obey
Right.
by
kids,
those
man.
rules.
That point would
Otherwise,
make
she could have
sense.
turned down the job. Like
nah,
I don't
Hey,
but
know.
Reese, there's not gonna be in the paperwork OnlyFans specifically. It's just gonna be a loose thing saying conduct detrimental to whatever. So that's a very big blanket statement. So that means whatever they deem as it is what it is. So most of the time, especially if you're in an at will state where they can just fire you based on whatever they want, you know what I'm saying? They don't have to have an actual reason. Like that's just what it is. You know what I mean? So it's not like you signed up knowing that you got into that and you shouldn't have did. Like I get y'all when y'all say that, but that's not the
Yeah,
case here. That's
because
like
maybe because of the new day and age with all this going on, maybe that is something that they implemented, and
and Brock, you gotta
we
I
think
don't
know.
about
know.
this.
I only can speak from Houston. I know that ain't in none of these teachers when they sign their card. It don't specifically say nothing about, but it do say shit that you do online. It does say that kind of shit like profanity. You got to use like common sense like that. But when I look at it like, okay, OnlyFans is specifically an adult website though.
But the kids can get
So
access to it though, Brock. That's the difference between
now
the
who fault
kids.
is that? Who fault is that?
Listen, you said if a teacher was smoking weed versus the OnlyFans, the
Mm-hmm.
kids can get access to the OnlyFans. If the kids could get weed from the teacher, then that point would make sense. But kids can
Let
go
me
and
let me.
search and
So
look
a
and
teacher
be
can't see it.
distracted.
Let me ask you this: can you see a teacher walk into a dispensary?
Can the
Or
kids
if I
get the
see,
weed
or
from
if
the
I,
teacher?
or if I see, or if I see a teacher, if I see a teacher, motherfucking, if I see a teacher, doing an after school job working at a dispensary, is that wrong too?
Oh, but you switching what you're saying though, Brock. The
No, I'm
kids
asking.
have
No, no,
access.
I'm asking a whole nother question. If they work at a dispensary and they sell weed on the side and they do that, is that illegal?
If she's
I
selling
mean,
it
well,
to
not
her
say illegal.
kids
Should they?
illegally, you get what I'm saying, Brock? If she's giving the
But
weed to
she
the
not
kids,
selling the. She not selling it to them kids. The OnlyFans.
but
I get what you're
kids
saying, but she
can
not
go and
selling it to
get
them.
her content off OnlyFans.
Illegally. So they can also illegally walk in a dispensary and go get some shit.
I don't know,
That's
bro.
all I'm saying.
I get what you're
That's
saying
all
though,
I'm
but
saying.
I
That's
get what
all
you're
I'm
saying,
saying,
bro.
bro.
I get what you're saying.
All I'm
It's
saying,
just
Kinfolk, look,
it's
I get where you coming from too, cause I don't know if I want a bitch that's busting her booty cheeks open teaching my kid either. But at the same time, it's like, damn, they don't even get paid nothing, bro. Like shit, she trying to get a little extra on this, you know what I'm saying? Like shit, is she out here busting it in front of the kids?
yeah, I get you. I
Do
guess it
some,
depends
do
on what you want
something
your kids
else.
open to. You know what I'm
Do
saying? Like
something else.
what you want your kids open to.
All right, let me ask you one
Go
more
sell
question.
lemonade or
What
something.
if a bitch news get leaked? What if her news get leaked?
I think that might be a
And or
little different.
Yeah,
what
that's
if her se-
way different,
what if
I
her
think,
sex
bro.
videos get leaked and she got like 5 6 sex videos out there,
But
they already on the internet,
she
and she
didn't
say fuck it, I'm
intentionally
gonna
put
monetize them.
those out though. That's different.
But
She didn't
okay,
intentionally put it
what does
out
she
for the
say?
public.
But what I'm giving you the scenario, Kim, you let me finish. So she see him out there, everybody see him out there, cool, y'all ain't gonna file. But then she said, you know what, I'm finna monetize these videos, they already out there, let me just go and start selling them. Now did she get fired?
Absolutely.
Isn't that
That's
technically the
crazy.
same thing as
That's
OnlyFans, right?
crazy. When it's technically the same thing, it's just all about like that shit crazy, bro. I don't know, man. Y'all tripping, man. It's fucked up. Y'all niggas strict, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause
It's
everybody
fucked up
having
for
sex,
sure,
bro.
but
You
hey,
can't be a
I
porno
mean, is
star
this
and a
about
teacher
being
at the
fair
same
though?
time.
I mean, if you sign a contract, right? It's just like if you're in the NFL or NBA, there's code of conduct, there's social media policies that you have to follow. If you don't read the fine print, who is that on? So, hey, if you're able to get away with it for as long as you can and then it comes out, I mean, whose fault is that? I don't think it's about being fair. It's about what you signed and adhering to the contract.
I mean, y'all can say that, and we could just stop talking about it at the end of the day. But if we, for the sake of conversation, you know what I'm saying? Is it a right or wrong thing? Is what I'm talking about. If we could talk about the contract they signed, and then yeah, we can just end the conversation right there. But for the sake of the conversation, is the motherfucking contract right or wrong? I feel like it's not right. Now, is it in there?
Well, if
Maybe,
that's the
maybe so.
conversation, then okay, for
Yeah.
sake of conversation, let's continue to have it. I'm just making a point.
No, I get what y'all point is. I mean, that's the same shit he said. Like, if it's in the contract, that's fair. I get what y'all saying, but yeah, I'm sure it's not specifically in there saying OnlyFans or anything like specifically. It's probably a big blanket statement. So then that's where it comes to like the community, because this is a public thing. So it comes to community. What's y'all's opinion on it? Because that's what's gonna ultimately make the decisions or not. Because these are not like, actual laws. This is policies. So like,
Hey,
do
bro.
y'all feel like as a parent, are you outraged at that policy? You know what I'm saying? That's really the question.
Let's keep it a stack though, bro. 9 times out of 10, bro. At the end of the day, that shit's still pornography. If you keep it at a band, like,
I ain't
so
seen
who
her
is?
OnlyFans, but I did see a couple pictures like on the thing when they had ran the story, and yeah, she doing straight porn on that hoe. I ain't gonna lie, I can't even do the whole. Oh, she not even showing them type of pictures. She's definitely busting her ass cheeks wide open. She's doing everything on there that you think. But I get it. I ain't look. I don't want to be the one that say porn stars should be able to be teachers. I'm just saying shit. I know for a fact the student to teacher ratio down in Houston, like I was just looking into this shit, right? Student teacher ratio is like 40 to fucking 1. Like, you know what I'm saying? Them kids ain't learning shit up in the motherfucking elementary schools because it's down there impossible to teach 40 kids at once. They just babysitting. So more motherfuckers are going there to teach. I ain't saying lower the quality of them, but is that the motherfucking like I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, but how
I ain't
many
worried about it.
teachers already got OnlyFans and y'all just don't know it?
That's what I'm
Because they carry
saying.
themselves a certain way
Or
and they
do
don't put their shit out
cocaine.
there. Or
They
that
do
too.
coke, smoke, like, but it's not our business if they can handle their job and do their job. If I see a video of them doing coke at a bar or some shit like that, I don't feel like they should be fired.
Yeah,
That's
but if
just
you see
me.
that,
Or if they
if they see that video of them doing coke, they gonna get fired.
I
That's the
said you gotta carry yourself away though. Like if you know you got that type of job, why the fuck are you doing coke in a bar?
I
Who
was
can see
just
you?
about to say that because a lot of jobs, whatever you do outside your job, can affect you at work. So
damn near
you know you
every
got to be
job. That's
careful.
damn near every
Yeah,
job. That's
so that's fact.
Listen, I
I'm
worked
not
in the
I'm not
department
disagreeing
at
with y'all.
the
I
bank.
get it.
Look, in my early 20s, I worked at a bank, and there's a whole office and staff and team dedicated to running you niggas every fucking day. Do you know how many people lost their jobs of getting DUIs and suspended license? You ain't gotta tell your job is suspended. That's why, because we running your ass. And when we find out that you came to work on a suspended license, oh nope, you not. You gotta go. Like y'all gotta think outside the box. Y'all gotta think further.
I agree with Andreas. It's some jobs that, you know, like teachers, physicians, nurses, that you just can't do whatever you want to do, even if it's
Coaches
in
too.
your, yeah, even if you're in, it's in your personal time. You can't just go out there and act any way you want to act. So if she got fired, she got fired. I feel bad for the black lady.
Yeah, this black woman
That's
just is
funny.
trying to
That is
do. She this black queen just trying to do her job at the end of the day, and like people just you know
Oh,
how
well,
it's
hold
just
on, bro.
racist.
Hold on, bro. She not black though.
I know who she is.
No.
Yeah, we gonna give her
They
that.
trying to take her crown,
Not you
bro.
trying
They
to
trying to
They
take
blame
her
try
the
to
crown.
situation.
Don't put no black
I ain't
jacket
gonna
on
lie
her.
though. Hey, to the fellas, that ass look like she got a little nigga in it. I ain't gonna count. She got a little song. I say, goddamn, Rachel Dollars out. I said, shit, I ain't know you had a little monkey on you.
Now
Okay,
her
Nah,
hold
white
on.
husband,
girls
that's
been
the
strapped.
nigga.
I ain't gonna count. Little Dollars out got a little something. Y'all might want to check it out for the Frisky. They on Twitter on X.
So you okay with this black woman being a porn star and a teacher at the
She's
same time
not
just because she got a
black.
fat
She
booty?
She
not
not
black.
black.
No, it ain't got nothing to do with her
She
fat
not
butt.
even
Is
black.
Nah, she just tried to pretend to be black like you. But look, she so
What?
what it is
Don't do that.
uh
He's on fire.
I lost connection. But yeah, nah, what it is I'm not okay with it, GG. All jokes aside, I'm not okay with it. It's like I'm just saying like the question should kind of be there. Should we really have all these rules and stipulations in 2024 on these people with their social media when it comes down to it? Now maybe porn is too far, but it's like, damn, bro, they can't even curse on they shit, bro. Like they is humans.
Well, is there like
Their
a code of
kids
conduct for
too.
Yes,
like
there
a
It
Hell
is.
is.
yeah, it is.
It is for
so you
sure.
can't be a
It's
drill
definitely.
rapper and be a teacher at the same time.
Oh no.
I mean,
Hell
it would
no.
be you would have like it's a blanket thing. Like if you drill rapping about fucking ABCs, they might let it go. You know what I'm saying? But it just depends what district you at and all kind of circumstance, what state you in, what these people really believe in, type shit. If you teaching at a black school or not, you know what I'm saying? You might get away with it at the hood school. You ain't gonna get away with it. Cause I done seen teachers online had their kids doing the ski shit in the morning. Like that's they walk up and they just say ski to the teacher. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, the fuck is going on? You know what? Never mind. But Rachel Dolezal can't have OnlyFans for adults. That's crazy. All right,
She can't have nothing until
I
she
don't
admits
know,
she a
y'all.
white
It making
woman.
sense.
lavish. I just be trying to say the truth, bro. Nobody in here want to talk about it. All these people in here have sex. 97% of the women in here
Hey,
have
so
sex
bro,
tape. What?
if Jada Fire was your son's teacher, you wouldn't want her to be there?
Shit, I'm gonna be there.
See, this the thing is, I'm going to all the parent teaching conference. It probably is gonna boost the rate of men coming to the school. You know what I'm saying? As far as like being in that kid, I think it'll have a positive
But
effect.
Brock,
Let's
what if
Brock,
try
the
it
you a
out.
teacher, Brock,
motherfucker,
no. Brock,
bro.
what if the
Let's
teacher
try
is
it out.
no, Brock, what if
To
the
the
teacher is a
school.
male and
That's
he's on
crazy.
OnlyFans shaking his thing around and flapping it all in the air on OnlyFans and he's your daughter's teacher?
So
Nope,
we're gonna treat
nope.
it the
And it's on
same.
a platform your kids can get to.
Well, my kids can't get to platforms that's over 18. That's the problem. So is it a platform that's for over
All you
18
need
or
is a
just
credit
kids?
card, Brock.
Your daughter is
All you
Let me
need is a
ask.
17.
credit
Let me
card.
ask.
That's
I'm
it.
asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. Is the platform a over 18 platform?
Your daughter is 17. So she's on this 18 and over platform. And her teacher is
Illegally.
throwing his
What's an
My
penis.
over
daughter
18
is
He,
platform?
he's
my
throwing
daughter
his
is
penis.
17. Let me ask you a question. My daughter is 17. I was just trying to set up something, and she's illegally on this website. Not supposed to be on the website, right?
She's not, but her friend sent her the video. Because the friend just turned 18.
Or
They
she
still
at
in
the
the
friend
12th
house.
grade.
She
So
at the friend
regardless,
house, and her
regardless,
friend
is
got access.
she's under 18 watching it, so her friend is illegally soliciting this to her, so
Okay,
it's
so your
illegal all
daughter
the way
is
around.
18. Your daughter is 18 in her senior year,
Oh, my
and
daughter grown.
her anatomy teacher is flip flopping his penis all over OnlyFans. You okay with that?
And he
You could take
holding
that to
after
college.
school tutoring
You could
sessions.
take that to college and
Mm.
shit. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not. I mean, at the end of the day, that ain't got nothing to do with
Brock
if
would
she
be
18
outraged if
and
he would be
she
mad if
looked
he
at
seen
that.
that.
Brock
She's
trolling.
18 years. Y'all got to think about what y'all just said.
Definitely
She's
trolling.
18 years old. She's 18 years old and she looked at porn. I'm having a
She's
conversation with
still
her
in
more
high
so about
school.
that. You know what
It's
I'm
her
saying? I'm more so having a
teacher.
But
conversation.
her teacher
But
is
as
her
far
porn
as like
star.
who it is, I mean, how would I even know that? But like who
I'll
it
be
is,
your
like you know.
private porn star, porning for money. Do what you want me to do.
See, the fact that you just bust out and sung that just let me know you be on some freaky shit. You be on
Papa
some freaky
don't
shit.
preach,
But
I'm keeping my baby.
she be on some freaky shit. I can already tell. Then look who did the ad libs. This shit is crazy. You know what I'm saying? You niggas. But look, so all I'm saying is, guys, think about this shit. They motherfucking 18 and over in this scenario. Would you be mad at your daughter at 18 going to a fucking strip club?
In high
No, but
school.
if her
She's
No, you
still in high
can't.
teacher
I
school.
is
mean,
the
what do you niggas want
stripper,
me to say this?
Yes.
You
Shit.
can't.
Like,
if her
I don't.
teacher is the stripper, yeah, that's a problem.
What's the problem?
All right, Brock, I got a better one for you. If you had a son and his basketball coach was on
Oh,
OnlyFans, on OnlyFans, doing
we
all
switching
kinds of.
teams.
Now that's
He probably can't
crazy
coach.
though.
He
Booty
probably can't
bumping.
coach
He on
good.
there
You gonna
booty
let
Hey,
him play
bumping.
for that
let me ask you
team?
a
Hey,
question.
he
Let
gonna
me
play
ask you
for
a
that team.
question.
Hell no,
What's
I
the
ain't
record
playing
of
for
the
that
team?
fucker.
Is you
What's
gonna
the
let your
team
son
record?
Oh,
represent that
nigga.
coach?
What is the team record?
Brock, answer
What
the
is the
question.
team's
Nah,
record?
Brock, answer the
We won
question.
state back to back.
Answer the
We won
question,
state
Brock.
back to back. Cause if we did,
Hell no, y'all lost.
shit,
Y'all
man,
was,
let that nigga do what he do in his piece, man. He
hey,
got
when
let him.
he was doing
My nigga
OnlyFans, when he
Buck
should have been
ready
coaching.
to have a kid.
If
He
we
got two
won
My
niggas
state
in the
back
nigga
to
Buck
back,
ready to have
NBA.
a kid.
if we won state back to back, what that man doing his piece is what that man doing his piece. I'm trying to get my son to the league, man. We ain't even worried about this shit. All these distractions, man. We ain't worried about this shit, man. That's whatever they got going
So
on,
you
man.
okay with him getting his back blown out on OnlyFans? And
Hey,
then your
hey,
Ma'am,
son
y'all
Your
know
going to
son
that
gonna
shit
ma'am,
going
ma'am,
represent
on.
that
ma'am,
coach.
ma'am. That was wild as fuck. First of all, to even
Yeah, he gonna
insinuate that
sacrifice
shit.
his child for wins. Good job.
Yeah. He getting them booty
Sacrifice your
cleats.
child for wins is
It's
crazy. Y'all sound
crazy.
homophobic in here. Y'all homophobic as fuck. So y'all saying that because a man gay, he can't coach y'all kids is what I just heard. But at the end of the day, that ain't got nothing to do with it. I don't give a fuck
He
what you
can't
do with
coach your
your
kids, but he can
I,
lead your choir. The children's church choir is crazy.
exactly. Y'all got all the gay ass pastors talking to y'all
Could teach
kids
him
in
how to play
y'all
the
church
tambourine.
and shit like that. Yeah, nigga, let's talk about
Don't
that.
make me
But
pull
at
out
the end
my
of the day,
tambourine.
yeah, I don't give a fuck what a nigga do. I'm at the practices. He ain't doing none of that with my kid. I'm like Keela at the practices. I'm watching every drill and all of that. Nigga, we ain't playing no games. You know what I'm saying? I'm helping out. Matter of fact, shit with the practices. We out of there, nigga. Shit, when it's time to go, we gone.
Brock will be the first one devastated when he find out his son quit football to be on a drill team that represents football. So
Let's
Oh no, my
go.
son can't do
But
that.
we
No, my
homophobic
son can't
though.
do that. He can't do that. Dress. He can't do that. He can't get on the drill team. No sir. No
what
sir.
you mean?
He
I
can't
rather
be
my
in the
son
band
make
playing
drill music.
the trombone and the tambourines. Like what you talking
This
about?
this the most
Hell
fucked
no.
up thing about this.
Don't let him play
My
the
son,
tambourine.
I rather my son do drill music than be on the drill team. Nigga, fuck all that. Nigga, we ain't doing none of that. Boy, hell nah. Shit no. Shit no. Damn, this bitch fine as hell. This thick ass
Brock
bitch
is
just hit me.
selective
And
teach ticking.
No, but look, Dreas, I'm trying to be mature about it, and let's be mature. Get out of troll mode. Let's be mature.
We be mature about it
You
on some
telling me?
dead ass
No,
shit.
you
If it
not.
was
No, you not.
different,
Let's
you
be
would feel a
mature.
type of way.
No,
Mature,
but
what's
why
that?
y'all think I'm why, bro? I've
Is
been
that the
on this
lower
app.
version of mature?
We didn't learn. Yeah, this is as good. This is good as gonna get. We didn't learn through this app, Dreas, for real. Like we gotta coexist with everybody, bro. So and it's
Yeah, we
2024.
do gotta coexist,
All these
but you
niggas
picking and
gay, fool.
choosing your outrage though.
Dress, all these niggas really gay for real. I really didn't came to the conclusion that these niggas was
Huh?
gay. So I'm not even really like, listen, I don't even care no more what they do. I got bitches. I only fuck with females. And what they do, I don't even care. Now, if you get your job done, bro, do what you do. I don't care. Get your job done, bro. Like shit. I'm really about the productivity. Nigga, get the job done. If the coach is gay, why would I care if he coached my son? They ain't got shit to do. If I could choose a checklist, yes, I would want the coach to be straight. But if the nigga's a great coach and the only flaw is he gay, I mean, shit.
It's not the
Just don't
fact
be
that
putting
he's
that shit on my
gay.
kid.
Brock, it's not the fact that he's gay. It's the fact that he's on OnlyFans sucking on dildos.
Hello,
That's
Man, I'm
that's a
gone. I'm gone. I'm
That
gone.
was the
I
whole
refuse. I
scenario. He
refuse to have
tried
this
to make it fit
conversation.
his bullshit.
I
Fucking
refuse
Brock.
to have this conversation. I refuse to.
Yeah, see, that's what
Yeah,
people are
this
conflating. It
shit.
wasn't about him being gay like that. The conversation came about in the sense of what if this was your son's football coach who was gay and he had an OnlyFans doing that? Would you have that same energy for, oh, if his teacher was in the OnlyFans, I'd be in that
You
class
gonna let
too?
him teach your son how to be a man?
But y'all come up
So
with the
let's not
craziest
conflate and just say
scenarios,
it was
bro.
about being gay. Let's not do that.
The hundred side come
Thank
up
you,
with the
Drea.
craziest scenarios, bro.
There's
Y'all
double
some sick
standards
niggas.
for a reason.
That's exactly, bro. It's the same thing as if your son go punch his teacher in the face and she a female, and if your daughter go slap a teacher in the face and he a male, the reaction gonna be different. So yeah, it's gonna be
Exactly.
different. There's different. It is differences. So if y'all want to ask me, is there a difference between a young boy and a young girl raising them? Yes. There's your answer.
Still wasn't it, but
You selective gay ticket. I'm over
Nope.
it.
I'm gonna answer the question the way I want to answer because y'all try to pose it in a way that tried to put me in a corner. So what I'm gonna
You
do is
also
tell
tried
you
to
there's a
pose it in a
difference.
way that appeased your narrative, though.
yes.
There is a difference between AB and Dreas. There is a difference between raising a little boy and raising a little girl.
They both
What we
should be
was talking
protected at this.
about.
They
Shut
both
your
should have
ass.
equal
Y'all know they not gonna let me
protection, though,
win, right?
Brock. So are you
Y'all hear
saying
that shit?
selective?
Y'all hear that? They never gonna let me win, bro. I deal with this shit.
Wow, so don't protect the little boys. That's crazy.
If he's gonna go to the Valentine's Day dance or if he had a Valentine and, kind of teasing him.
Yo,
Yo, I thought it was my phone.
We're
yeah,
sorry.
I
The
heard Gigi
clubhouse
say
you have
something and it
connected
went.
with.
All I heard was 505 saying then everything got.
Yeah, now that shit crazy. Yeah, Mr. Johnson ain't doing none of that shit around my kids.
Because coaches have a big influence on your sons and your daughters. Coaches have a big influence on them. So, Brock, if you want to let Mr. Johnson clap them cheeks and go out there and pat your son on the back when he make bing here on his butt when he make a basket. Mm-mm.
Why he
No,
always
no,
smiling when he come out the locker room?
Mr. Johnson.
no shit.
Nah, then y'all feel some type of way when your son tell you, hey, these slaps ain't slaps no more, Dad. I feel like he's squeezing the right cheek a little too long. Then you be like, but you guys were 2-0.
Come on
Right.
now,
We're
G.
going
Like
to the
these
state
boys.
championship. Let's not say anything until after we win type shit.
They
Fucking
like do everything your coach tells you to do.
Oh my gosh. Let me go check up on the
Am
coach
I
real
the
quick
only
and
one
see
that
what's
think
going
this
on.
conversation is like disgusting?
Leave quietly, motherfucker.
Stop
Or
it.
loudly.
No, Gigi, but it's real
So
life.
a real conversation dealing with reality and what actually happens to some of these kids. I mean, it's the reality of the conversation because what Brock posed was a narrative that appeased his situation and fantasies of fucking on a fine ass teacher who's thicker than a snicker. But when it came to the boys, it's kind of like, well, was it a 2-0 coach? Like, oh, now it's selective.
No, that's a fact. But I think it's like Brock was saying, you gonna act different. It's that double standard. That shit just cringe. I ain't gonna lie. I had to fuck that.
So we saying Rachel Doja shouldn't have the job and the OnlyFans? She got to get one up.
Rachel Dolezal? Oh,
Yeah, she got to give one of them up, but I guess they forced her to give one up because she was fired.
she better hang on to that OnlyFans with her good, clean, non-black life child. She better be white on this one.
Eric, what this you got at the top right here, Eric?
Apparently, Troy Ave started his sentencing. Um, I read something that said he sentenced to like 1 year. If somebody got audio, they could run.
You still in here, A-Rock? Didn't Troy Ave just get signed by academics? Not too.
For his podcasting. Yep.
Yeah.
But why the fuck is Troy doing time, bro?
He
I
still
ain't
had
trying to hit go. I could run up in the court. You might keep me, you might not see me for a while. But just know, the streets is a myth. All the people that was in the car with me, I ended up taking the guns. You know what I'm saying? Somebody shot at me. Instead of me laying down and dying, I'd have been a hero or martyr. I took the gun and bust back. You know what I'm saying? And there you have it. Here go the consequences. But we don't crowd spill milk. We take the lemons and we make lemonade. You feel me? God is great and paper straight. Y'all keep supporting. Y'all keep running it up. Send the prayers up. Prayers count more than anything. You heard? The kids straight, family straight, fans straight. I'm up out of here, y'all.
Yo, that was Troy Ave, man. The streets are a myth. He got a little county lit he got to do. Talk to. They said he'll probably do about 8, 7 months, maybe off that. You know what I mean? Depending. But you know what I mean? He got everything in order. I ain't gonna lie. Wolf told us he got everything in order. He right. He good. You know, he's still making money in there. Betting on the Super Bowl. You know how it is. When you right, you right. You ain't got to worry about it.
and
See,
Beast.
that's
That
what's
was
up.
from the extra gun charge he had, right?
Yeah. That's the deal with everything. That's that same shit. So he got a bullet. He got a bullet. I think it's a county lid. So I talked to a few people, and like I said, Wolf said that he'll probably do about 8 months, 7 months.
Yeah, that's what's up. Cause I fuck with it. I hope he you know what I mean, do his little time and come home. That shit probably going.
He should still have his show when he gets out too. I know they got his show, so I don't know if they're gonna still be running it while he's gone. I mean, I don't see why they would stop. They got a good host over there with Wolf helping out with the other co-hosts they got, so I don't see why they would stop that. But you know, what's going on? Everybody all right in here?
He signed that nigga right away after that podcast. That him and that whack Fat Boy and Troy
Oh
had. He
yeah,
signed that
oh yeah. He signed quick. He signed quick as fuck. He signed to a 6-figure deal. They doing good. You know what I mean?
What
So
what case is this? He going to jail for?
he going to the gun case.
Oh,
I
from
believe. I
from a
believe. No,
while
don't.
ago.
From that whole thing that happened in the motherfucking when his bodyguard got killed.
Yeah.
That whole shit with Tax Stone. I think it has to do with that. I think it's. Now don't quote me on that. I think it has to do with the gun case, getting caught with a gun, and you know how New York is. So Like I said, but don't quote me on that. I know he's got to do that time. Ever since that case ended, I know he was just waiting for final sentencing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, he'll be home. That'll be a quick one. About 8 months. Just read some straight stunting magazines. Yeah, dog. What y'all sleeping this motherfucker?
100 ENT stay woke.
Who we got next on the schedule today?
100 ENT South, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, I thought it was Good Burger.
Well, shit, man. I appreciate y'all coming to the morning show, man. You know, uh, and they're gonna post this link here for the next room shortly. Hopefully, we get hard with
No,
punk
we
ass
got
people
Good
start running.
Burger up next.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
Lord.
And the link is at the top. You're
Let me get
Shout
most
out
questions.
Lavish. The nigga was doing double duty in this mug
yeah, good
today.
shit, laugh. Good shit to
Yeah, I
everybody,
was
man.
trying
Everybody
to,
held it
man.
down
Yeah, I
today.
couldn't do it without y'all, man. I was trying. Really
But anyway, yeah,
goddamn
appreciate y'all.
um, you know, Dreads, JO held it down, helped me out with that shit, man. You know, my
Yeah,
first
shout out
time.
JL too.
Everybody did their thing, man. Appreciate y'all fucking with us here on the 100 ENT side of the Clubhouse app for the 100 ENT morning show. Hot topics. We got the link at the top. We running over the Good Burger, man. So everybody hit that link and let's get this lunch break in. You heard? Appreciate y'all fucking with us. We out.
They say Hardwick put butter inside his pizza.
Fucking guy.
Yeah, that nigga
Tap
running
that
on
link.
Jiffy. We're gonna get him right.
Yo, double, where you been, player? Double.
I've been in my bag, beast. I'm in
You
my
been in your
bag.
bag? You good? You back to writing shit again?
I'm in my bag.
What you
I'm
doing?
doing
You
this
doing got
track.
any scripts? Any doing anything like that?
Yeah. I just hit Whack up. I was trying to talk to him about lawyer. Yeah, I just wrote a whole book, bro. I got mad work coming out.
Oh, okay, that's
You'll
what's
see
up.
soon.
Ever since the writer's strike ended, I know you back to work, so that's good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, keep doing your thing, player.
Y'all hit that link. Hit that link at the top. Let's get a body.
It did, bro.
Is every song featuring Ty Dolla $ign? Was this like a joint
Yeah, it was a
project?
joint
Yeah,
venture.
that's a joint
Ty,
album.
Ty is hard. I ain't gonna lie. Ty's been dope. Ty's been dope for a long time.
The beginning of that Kanye album was like mediocre. I'm not gonna lie. Like the first couple tracks, and then like once you get towards like once you let them warm up and like kind of like get the whole theme of what's going on for real. By like track 4, that bitch on fire. Like you know what I'm saying? Like by the time they go to that back that ass up sample, the one with they got YG on that bitch and Nipsey on that bitch in the beginning. That
What's that song
that
called?
man, I let me see. I think it's called Do It. I think it's called Do It. Yeah, that motherfucker. And then you gotta think too. Why is Sleepless telling me to start now? And then you gotta think too, motherfucking damn, they had that one song with the Backstreet Boys sample that didn't make the album. That bitch would have went hard too.
Oh yeah, I heard
All
that
this
one.
money on the floor. 10 racks, throw it
Yeah,
up,
that was
watch
hard,
how
like
I
right in the
do
beginning.
it. Make a drop to a toast. Bend it. Do it stay whack, do it smell fresh. Can I feel your douche through the latex? Get you slow round, stay wet. And your homegirl watch, cause she go